Yo, 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 yo. What is good? What up, what up, what up? What's up, chat? What's up, what's up? Good morning. Good morning. Where's my camera? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Camera, I mean you turn on. Camera, turn on. Now. There you go. Might not even get a chance to do analysis, chat. Not gonna lie to you. Because if this thing closes below here, sheesh. Good morning. Do you guys want me to do a rapid analysis? I kind of have to do a rapid analysis, like a really, really rapid analysis, as if like I was doing this analysis for myself and not for the stream. Because I gotta watch this gold closure in 3 minutes here. Do it after? I gotta do it beforehand, because chat's not asking, yo, Don, why'd you take the sells for? Why'd you take this position for? Why didn't you wait for this? I gotta do it before. You know? When I take a trade, chat, it's not, you know how when you guys take a trade, it's not like it's, you guys take a trade, you guys move on in life. I take a trade, and then I'm gonna have to talk about that trade forever, for the whole entire day after that. Why didn't you wait for this instead, Don? Why'd you close there? Why didn't you wait for a closure below here? Why didn't you take profit here? Why did you close so early? You know, it's never like, yo, Don, that was a good trade, man, keep it up. Never, 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 never. That's never the case. Always something to it, man. But when you guys get trade, trust me, it's peace and quiet, right? It's like that's why when I'm on vacation for me means I'm still trading, but I'm trading with no stream. That's vacation for me. I don't know about you guys, but for me, trading is straightforward, but streaming, different breed, man, different breed for sure. But how big are these stops here though is the real question. So 1 hour counts about close up in 12 minutes here. 35 is obviously a range 2 at this point. Yeah, I mean, like, you have all that range going up. Makes sense. You close below here in about 2 minutes here. Should be straightforward for sells. Anywhere below that zone. Turning look left, right? That's all we have from yesterday. Yeah, that's all we got. That is all we got. Yeah, you close below here. Should be pretty straightforward. What is this though? 1900, 552. You'll be 10% profit, break even point. Cool. Oops, do not want to lock that. Remove this. And then you have clean range going down. Perfect. You have a minute and a half here. After in a minute and a half, I'll be in. Cool. It might drive beforehand, but I'm gonna need a closure here. So you have a minute and a half. If it drives in, it drives. Forget it. Ain't my position then. But if you get a closure, then I will have a self stop or market execution. I'm looking at 39 pip stops. 1905. If you break that high, then there's no reason for us to drive back down. Yeah, this is a range 2, chat. This is a range 2. Keep that in mind. Yo, if you don't close below here, I'm just gonna wait for the 1 hour close and just do the analysis. But yeah, this is a range 2. You have range 1, range 2 here. There's technically a range 3, right? Should be good once it closes below the drive through. At least until, what is that? 1898. And then it stops to be like, yeah, cool. How big is that stop? 39 target. You can probably target right down here. Cool. Will you get a closure? And you got a closure, right? Perfect. Chat. Getting some sells there as you close below the range. Yeah, got some sells there as you close below the range there. Stops are gonna be, like I said, I have you here. Probably around these levels here. 19.0, what's that? 19.0510, and then target probably gonna be roughly anywhere down here, this zone here. Cool. And then break-even point is roughly gonna be move stops break even roughly at these levels to the left here. I'll say around here. 1900, 264 would be ideal. You close below, or you come down towards there, because there's a minor support there, right? You have like a minor level here to the left. So at those levels, let me just send a zoom link real quick. Yeah, at that line there, 1900, you have a minor support going left there. So at that level, we'll look to manage risk, move stops to break even, all that good stuff, right? Yeah, the reason also stops. Oh, I gotta put this on trading view. My fault. Yeah, we're gonna sell somewhere around there, right? Yeah. So stops above. Where are stops again? Above here, and target is roughly somewhere down here. Yeah. If you guys take a look at the trade, didn't really get to explain it much, but based off heavily the 515 as forming that range 2, I believe you have room to drive down at least to like 1900 here before you look to come down further. You do have 7 minutes for a 1 hour closure. The 1 hour closure candle, I mean, as long as it closes bearish, this next 1 hour candle should likely continue to drive down. I would expect a push before the 1 hour candle closes, but I mean, we shall see. But overall, as long as this 1 hour candle right here closes bearish here, anywhere below this zone here, this 1 hour candle should likely come down to fill the rest of the range here. So it should tap around the 1900 levels mark minimum. I think that's what we're kind of targeting here on price. And I think that's it. That's honestly really it. Because the 1 hour has all that clean traffic, right? Like if price were to find support, it'll probably find support at like 1999.02, right? 1997, like anywhere in this zone here. Because look left, you have clean traffic till then, so price will find support here if anything. And if you were able to data bias being bullish, it'll find support here at this level, these levels here, and then do something like this later on, right? But for the meantime, I would anticipate price to drive through beforehand. Yeah, one of those days, chat, where we're just like, you know, 6:30 and you just have a trade off the rip. Can't really do much about timing, you know. I didn't get to mark up nothing. Well, we obviously got to mark stuff up, but as for doing a breakdown for you guys, I couldn't really do anything just yet. So I'll do a breakdown afterwards. But this trade here is it's, oh, by the way, we updated the spreadsheet. There's a little update on it. 3.2, I think we have. But yeah, like this trade here is gonna be basically just the let me see. Go on YouTube. Copy link. Okay, so 1/13, here's 13th, right? Yeah, 2023. It is currently, what time is it? 6:50. We're into around 6:50. Right, chat? 6:50 around that time. New York. Okay, still hovering. Cool. Gold sells breakout off of the, how do we enter that? current higher low, or just I guess the opening, right? It's the flip, you can say. 5 faux cool link right around here. Boom, boom. All right, cool. There's that. Yeah, it's a pretty nice setup. I mean, it's the 5-minute time frame. Flip, breakout. Pretty straightforward setup. Oh, 5 close below. Nice. You have one more 5 for the 1 hour close here now. And then the signals, same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and add that to the spreadsheet because it was that as well. 6:45, right? New York. Gold. Sells. Breakout. Flip. 5. Faux. Cool. Move this line over here. Break even and perfect. Let's add more positions. We may get an opportunity to add more positions potentially, yeah. Because we may look to move our stops to look at this low instead, but we'll see. We'll see those 1 hour closes here. We shall see. As long as the 1 hour close is bearish, should be pretty straightforward to drive down. If you like come up to here later on, like, you know, remember we took that position on Tuesday, chat? We took the buys on Tuesday and we had an opportunity to add positions. Our wick stand did. Similar situation. If we come to like here, you know, maybe like make like a resistance there, and then at resistance you form you confirm resistance. So we get this going up and get this, and at this resistance here, at that amount of resistance, we get like a bearish closure like this. Yeah, sure. At that point, I'll look to add a position potentially. But until then, I don't think I'm gonna be in a situation to do so, because even if you add a position here anywhere in that zone, you have a much smaller stop. That's the second position, but we'll see. Because then the next count would like to just drive through like this, right? But you need to form that structure first for me to actually be in positions here. One hour close may open up and just drive down. Remember how yesterday, chat, you had every day so far for the past, I think, 4 days, you've had a push at 7 a.m. to 7:30. I would expect the same to happen today, especially with the way price action is looking right now. I would expect the same thing to happen today with the 5 here. You have 2 minutes left for a closure. What's the break-even point again? Down here somewhere. Yeah, 1935. Not too bad. Oh, we are pushing. All right, so at this point, chat, I'm gonna move my stops to break even here. This is risk-free trade. Gonna wait for his 1 hour close though. I didn't get 10 there, I got like 9. But stops to break even here regardless. We tapped that level, I believe, right? And there you go. Gonna close my full position right then and there. And there is your position. I honestly would have expected this candle to close, or I would have expected this position to drive at 7 instead. I'll take that one as well, because I expected this candle to close like doji or whatever, right? And then I would have at least expected like the 7 a.m. candle open up with no top wick and just drive down like it did the past 3 days. But I guess I was a little off there. It's fine though, you know. I'll take the 14 pips. Yeah, not bad trade. On to the next. Close somewhere around there, right? Yeah. Cool, chat. So I think we close in around what did I say, like 15 pips. We can probably put 15. Like 4.9. All right, so that is gonna be that trade. 14 pips there. The journal plus 14 pips there. Hey chat, like I said about yesterday, man, you know, like I told you guys that in days of news we usually don't catch much. There's not much for us to do, but the day afterwards you have all that volatility left over from the news. You have direction now, and it's gonna be it's usually a much more efficient day for us, right? So in this case, like, it was perfect. You had to push right before 7 too. So hey, you know, the day is still young. We have plenty of opportunities left over. If you guys have just come to the streams, you are late. I apologize, but you gotta be here early, man. 6:30 or else, man. But yeah, congratulations, Chad. Congratulations. Gold sells plus 14 pips. So the streak lives on, chat. The streak lives on. You literally have, or we are literally on the signal. We are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. I think that's a record, yeah. And then the stream is on like a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 streak. Nice, not too bad. I think people, the ones that say, you know, 1 loss will take out three wins, I think we're good for 3 trades, right? Now, yeah, congratulations, chat, for coming here early today. It was a early move, but you know, I can't do much about timing. I didn't get to do analysis, to be honest, but we'll take it. Wix9, I'm not sure if you was awake to catch that, but what I do there? No. Congratulations, chat. Congratulations on a beautiful morning. Now you can probably call it a day, right? Let me use an IG clip real quick for you guys. All right, yo, spam those in the chat, guys. Spam those in the chat. This is for Instagram. Make me look good. All right. So, an early move today. Early, what's the line again? Early bird catches the worm, whatever. Right, early bird catches the worm, something like that. We closed pretty nicely too. I mean, I want this count to come up to the break-even point so we can get that perfect closure. What's that line? Is it early bird catches the worm? That sounds weird for some reason. Early bird catches. That is that worm, yeah. Pays to come early and pay attention. Exactly, man. If you came early today, you deserve that win. If you're coming in now and you're like, oh my god, I just missed the move, you are gonna be like this guy right now. You're definitely gonna be this guy right now. This is definitely you right now. Come into the live stream. It's just now. I see you guys scrolling through the trade now. Like, Mark, okay. Friday the 13th. Yeah, someone said Friday the 13th. Be careful. I'm like, what you mean be careful? How the W, thanks. No worries, no worries. Oh, I got the record. That is our This is clean now, chat. Look at that. This is clean. It's a separate page for IG too. Yeah, this is monthly. That is our 7th win, 5 break evens, and lifetime that is our 129th win, and 61 break evens, and 39 losses. Clean. We're working our way back up to the 85% win rate again, you know, getting back up there. Not too bad. Almost there. I can't believe we had 10 break evens this month, or for at least for this channel. 10 break evens. 10 break evens that like basically almost got 10 or whatever pips. Yo, also by the way, chat, if you guys are new, make sure you guys go join a Discord, because our Discord server is you guys go join a Discord. About to hit 20k. About to hit 20k. 20k viewers. 20k viewers. Or 20k members, not viewers, members. Are you still in the trade? No, we closed off. I closed off at like when it was pushing down earlier. Oh damn, my fault. Circle, I forgot to clip that. That's fine. You can just screen record, right? Wix is like, yo, the Wix catching them last night. I think last night's Asian session was very chopped. Like it was very, very chopped. Yeah, I was looking at it, I'm like, damn, this guy's very streaming right now, huh? I was out. I wasn't home at all, but I was on my phone looking at charts real quick, and I was like, yeah, I don't think there'll be anything tonight until London. And then when I woke up during London, I'm like, when I went to bed at 1, I'm like, oh, this is cool, pushing up, lots of volume. And then London pushed up, I'm like, oh, that's nice. And then New York, would have expected the price to drive or continue to drive. $9% profit today? Sheesh, how much you guys make today in percentages? Jeez, almost 9%, 4%. Some people in the chat are like 4% for the week, 30% for the week. Not the chat, the Discord channel. 0.4, 0.70, you know. Pretty cool. 0.3, you know, 1.2, 13% is crazy though. 0.1, 9%. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Um, 13, 1%, 3%. That's good, chat. That is good. I'm not sure how much I made in that. I think I made what is this? 2,680. I think I made like less than a percentage. 375,995 divided. 260 divided. Yeah, like I made like 0.80%. The only thing I was questioning was like, the only thing that I was really questioning about that trade was I wanted to see if I could have used this stop instead. I mean, regardless, it didn't really go in drawdown, but in general, like I had a this stop initially, right? I think I could have just probably used this stop. Probably the previous zone would have been fine because you break above there. Because the thing I was worried about was this, like, if you break above here, just have room here to just create resistance here, so we may not break this level up here. So I was looking at that for stop, but nonetheless, didn't really go and draw down, right? Some of you guys probably had this stop. Some of you guys definitely had this stop. That's fine. I think this stop could be more ideal. Would have been a bit smaller, like 27 pip stops. But man, it's almost that time, Chad. It's almost that time for me to increase my lot sizes. Almost that time. I made 6.9 today's trades. Nice, nice, nice. Is that your target? Can you actually mean a 5 of stops? Yeah, so the 5 of stops, like you typically would want to have your stops above like a 5 zone. So not really like a 5. Yo, by the way, is my stream popping up on the main page? Okay, cool. Now it is. Like you typically want to have your stops on like the previous zone. So like in this case over here, in this case over here, you would probably want to have your stops above this candle high over here, right? Because our entry was around, my bad, not there. Your entry was around here, so you probably want to have your stops above here or above here. And we're in that zone because what we noticed the last years or so using the 30-minute stops and the 1 hour stops and 15 stops is you sometimes would respect candle highs, previous candle highs, but I think the issue with that was what I noticed was the 5s would always respect zones. Like if because the 5 is the small time frame obviously, but it's also creating that structure. Like you see the 5 closing more often than the 15 and 30 obviously, right? So as you see those candles closing, you see more structure being created, and typically if we break structure, then you're obviously going the other way after. But if you don't break structure, then you should be valid to drive down. So we started putting our stops above previous 5 structure instead of the previous 30 and 15 zones. Obviously sometimes it may line up to be like a previous 30-minute zone, previous 1 hour zone, but more times the 5s would be respected a lot more heavily than the 15s and 30s and such, from what we notice. So that's why I use the 5 stops now. Are you going back to closing partial instead of full on some trades? I also looked at that as well for 2023 and 2022, and I noticed that honestly, I believe we do better off closing full. We do better off closing full of our positions instead of closing partials of our positions, right? Yeah. Just because like we get runners, yeah, but how often do we get runners? Like this could be a potential runner right now. This, like let's say we close 50%, let's see how it plays out, because it hasn't touched the break-even point yet. But I noticed that like it really depends on the trade. Like it really depends on the exact trade. Sometimes if I may just close half if I see a lot of room and potential. Like if I'm looking for buys today, I may leave runners because the sells are against the buys today, right? The buys is bullish today still. But if I'm looking for buys today and we have like total clean traffic, I might do something where I close full and move my stops up 10% profit. You know what I mean? Like I might do that instead of closing half. Because then if it comes back, then you know we just close at 10 pips. What about trend stop? Yeah, trend stop wouldn't be too bad. I've been looking at just moving my stops 10% profit. Like let's say we get like 15, 16, 10% profit, and if it runs, it runs. If it doesn't, then it just comes back. You know. These studies I found yesterday when we study what? Study charts? Yeah, I guess I'd be studying time to time. I'd be studying time to time, you know. No more trades? Yeah, I'm pretty sure we got another trade. Probably won't come until let's see here. So right now what you're doing is you're creating a support. You could probably anticipate sells below the support level right around here, because you do have traffic coming down. But honestly, I didn't like the way the 1 hour candle closed there, due to the fact that I didn't really close below this zone here. It closed right at support, so it may be a choppy hour. I could be wrong, but maybe a choppy hour until you actually have 8 a.m. here, 8:20 COMEX, because you're in this middle of the range here, and there's no like clean traffic to the left just yet. So you may get trades at like 8 a.m. instead, 8:15, 8:20. So I'll wait for that. Because then at that time you'll see structure being created. You'll see this next 1 hour close. Because for all we know, this next 1 hour candle could literally just close bullish, and the 4 candle could still flip bullish for 9, right? So keep that in mind as well. The 4 hour is still bullish. The daily is still bullish. The 1 hour is bearish, yeah, but it closed right at support. That push that we had, I would have anticipated that push to drive us down below that range, but it failed to do so. Good day though, sir. Good day. It's a Friday day, you know. We're gonna take it a little easy today, but hey man, like I say, Fridays or Mondays are usually my best days. I don't know why. A lot of traders fail. A lot of traders struggle on those days, but for me at least, those days are pretty efficient. It's just for some reason the market moves those days for us, you know. Are you in school? No, I'm not in school right now. I was in school before. I was in school for graphic design, but no, I'm not in school right now. I am just training full time. This is what I do. This is what I do, and this is what I'm grateful for, because it's it wasn't easy getting here, man. I tell you that. It was not easy getting here. It was a very difficult path to get to where I am. And now I can just be at home, you know, trading from the comfort of my home, live streaming, making content from home. Like this is my job. Like this is my workstation. Like this is what I do every day, and that's it. Like I don't gotta travel nowhere. I don't gotta drive anywhere. It's a blessing for sure. I think about that a lot though. I'm like, wow, I don't really have to get up and work at a certain time every day. Like I obviously worked before this, obviously, but I only had one job my whole life. You know, I had one job, and I don't know. That was it. That was when I was like 16 to 19. It's great because like this is what I do, and I only gotta do it for like 2 hours a day, and then after that it's just like I got the whole day to do whatever I want. But man, yeah, it's gonna be it's great. Can't even complain. When you're in school for graphics, did you ever imagine you being here? No. So like when I first started, it's a Friday, so I'm gonna share some stories today. But when I first started trading, chat, I did not have, like, I wanted to be a full-time trader. Yeah, tier 1, Evgeny Blagov. Yo, thanks for a tier 1, man. Thanks for a tier 1. I got the first name right though. Anyways, yeah. So when I first started trading, it wasn't like to be a trader. Like I had intentions to make money off of this, but I didn't want it to be like a full-time trader. And because I wanted to use my funds to get into fashion. Like I wanted to have my own brand and stuff, right? That was my intentions when I was like 19, 18. But now the fashion industry is so toxic that I stopped caring as much. Like I stopped caring for that side as much. So this is what I do. I guess like honestly, it didn't take me until like 2021, like early 2021 or mid 2021, where I was like, okay, this is actually what I want to do. Like I'm okay with doing this. Like if this is like my full-time thing, I'm okay with doing this. Like I went full-time in 2019, but the time I was still like, wow, I want to use these funds to do something else and get into other things. But after some time, I was fine with just doing this. I accepted the fact that this is just what I do now. But yeah. Initially, no, this wasn't what I wanted to do. FOREX is toxic too, but honestly, over the years, I'm okay with it. It's not bad. Or streaming is toxic, like content online presence on FOREX is toxic. But yeah, it's not bad. What really hit for me though, what really hit for me was when I went on vacation last year to Dominican, because that was my first like vacay, like that wasn't in like a city. I was like just like a chill vacation. Was when I went on vacation and I got to trade. That was when it kind of like really, like I'm like, wow, I can do this from anywhere. Yeah, crazy. How did you get into trading? What made you decide I want to try that? I think it's like I always want to make money. That was me when I was a little kid. I always want to make money. Growing up, I was all about money. So FOREX had money in it, and that's the reason I got it. Now that's not always the that's not the best reason to get an FX, right? You shouldn't be getting into FX for money. You should actually be enjoying doing this every day, like enjoying the craft. For me, I didn't care at first. Obviously, that's for a lot of people. They don't really care at first. They just want to make money. So yeah, after some time, I realized that, you know, it's not really about the money anymore. It's more so about, like, I actually like trading for what it is. It's very calm. It's very collective. You don't gotta talk to anyone. You don't gotta deal with any customer service. It's like you do your analysis on your own. You don't need to listen to anyone else. That's why I like trading. Wix 9. Oh wait, his headset's not on yet. Personal reason, most people aren't putting in the work. Yeah, a lot of traders, like what they usually do is like their journey goes like this. They hear about FOREX, they hit their mans up. Yo, put me on. That man or that person is gonna put them on babypips.com. Person A is probably not going to go on that website. Person B is going to go on that website, but look at it and say this is too much. Person 3 goes through the website, does all of that, and they start their trading career. That person has to go now and has now to go through another level. They have to go this new security level, and that new security level is okay. So what they usually do is they start off on YouTube, best strategies, blah blah blah, best this, best that, and then they find people, they find mentors, they find people who they mess with, and then after that they have they open an account, they open a demo, they trade, they make money, like wow, this is great, and then they save up some funds, go live. Once they go live, that's your next test basically, because once you go live, your true colors come out, your true psychology comes out for the first time too in trading. You know, if you're not disciplined, you're not gonna be disciplined on the charts. So yeah, a lot of traders go through that, and then they start to blow accounts, right? Usually like 1 or 2 accounts they blow is fine. They still like they made money on demo before, they made some money on live, they seen the real money come to them, but then they blow some accounts, they get a little bit discouraged. Now some people at this point may continue to go forward with FOREX, because they really believe in themselves. Some people though give up after they blow like their 3rd, 4th account, because they're like, wow, I just blew a shit ton of money and maybe this is not working for me. And then they waste all that time they learned, they all that time and effort they got, that they used to get into FX and educate themselves. They wasted all of that time because they blew an account due to them not being disciplined or consistent. So you have that story. And then some traders, what they do is they take a little break. They actually do take a break. They work a little bit, save some more funds up, and then come back mentally stronger. But then you have another test. Some traders come back and they're not profitable yet. They're still at a point where they still struggle to get past that psychology, get past that discipline, get past that consistency level. So but then they find us, they find us on the streams afterwards. They get the playbook, they get all of this, they get all of that, and then they're on the right path. But yeah, you gotta go through a lot of steps to be a profitable trader, man. Trust me, I've been through like 20 plus blown accounts to get to where I am today. So it wasn't easy, it wasn't fun. And I see gold here, chat, by the way, too, but I'm not really. I said I'm waiting for 8 a.m. here, right? Because I want to see how this 1 hour closes here. I'm a little worried about this 1 hour candle. So I'm waiting for that. But I think this range going down was around like 10 pips there for you. I started in 2019 or 2018, late 2018, around when Wickstein started. Me and Wickstein started around the same time. Music a bit too loud. My fault. What up, Nav? Let's go. What's going on? And there's your push. At this point, if I was in, I would have closed full right here and there. So you guys are gonna have a field day today, chat. Like I told you guys, today is the day where you have all that leftover volume, you have all that range from yesterday, and I don't want to say algo day, but it's just like very price actiony day, right? It's very straightforward day. Like you should have a lot of opportunities today. But now that you're breaking below these zones here, man, you have all this range. Yo, what's the deal, man? What is the deal?
So, like we said yesterday during Asia, get ready for London and New York. Because after watching paint dry, we knew these ranges were gonna get filled, right?
Paint dries for real.
Yeah, well, we knew these range. We said it yesterday. Hey, the good thing about the fact that we drove so much yesterday and to these highs here is that all these levels to the left got cleared out. All these levels to the left, all the orders to the left are cleared out and now created clean ranges. So when we do start moving back down, it's just gonna be clean moves down. It's not gonna be any of this paint drying shit from yesterday's Asian. And it's clearing, it's correcting it in one swift candle too. Same way it came up, that's how it's coming down.
Yo, you caught that first shirt with us, Wix?
No. I was watching it though. I was watching it live. I wasn't next to the computer.
You didn't catch this one though. You got in just now, right?
I wasn't in the house. What was that?
Did you get on 5 just now though?
Yeah, the one that's moving right now.
Yeah, okay, cool. You close full, right?
Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah. The streak continues, huh?
Bro.
Yeah, I don't know. That simulation we did, man, it wasn't a lie, huh?
I don't know what's going on right now because this shit doesn't.
To be fair though, the markets are quite volatile right now. But even when we were in a range, like that's what I'm saying. Like even last week when we were in the range last week, like we still had so many opportunities. Even in that little range we're in, the whole like from Monday to Wednesday this week, chat, we're just ranging, right? Why don't you open a Telegram group, give free signals? The thing is, like, I used to give free signals, but why would I give free signals now when I live stream? This is your free signal. Like, you got a free signal this morning. If anything, you got more than a signal. You got a signal, an explanation, you got everything. So there's no point giving free signals anymore. No point. What are we doing? I'm waiting. I wanted to wait for 8, but because like, well, at the time, like the 1 hour candle closed like right here, right? So I was like, okay, well, this thing respects the support. But now, the moment I broke these lows, like just a minute ago, I'm like, yeah, it has room to go down now, but we probably need some 5 closures or some 5 range being created first. I'm pretty sure we'll get another trade today, chat. It's just
it's early, yeah.
It's
really
only 7:30 here. Like you have so much time, and
there's a lot of room to correct here. And if you do correct here and it stops, there's a lot of room to retest the lows. Once we stop correcting and we come back and create an onion, we're gonna retest the lows that we're gonna create right now. Wherever this candle drives, it's gonna bottom out at some point, come back up, find resistance, and continue driving.
you catch that trade down? No, we caught this push right here. We caught it on stream this morning, like very early. We caught that at like 7:45. We caught this one right here.
6:45.
Yeah, and I was saying like, chat, if you want to runners, you could leave it, but I think you would hit run. You would hit break even. I think that wick would have probably just wicked you out if you close half and such and let it rock. But personally, like the day of bias was still bullish. I had no intentions to leave runners at all. But we closed pretty nicely though. We understood that came down, we closed, and then this thing came back up. We got a pretty nice closure, you know. All this volume though, wow, amazing. Yeah, third just closed too. The 30-minute count closed right at these ranges here. I believe, chat, it's like if you guys are feeling FOMO right now, don't worry about it. We literally just caught a position, and you have tons of traffic to come at 8 a.m. Personally, I would love if we can break this 4-hour low here. We're very close right now. We're like maybe 10 pips away. You break the 4-hour lows and the 1-hour candle at 8 closes below these ranges here. We'll have a solid range going down for 8 and 9. All the way to 1882, 1886, you know.
In situations like this, honestly, typically I would close full going against the daily bias. But in situations like this, where the previous day drove so much and left a lot of room to correct, it'll correct. These candles will correct all the moves to the left. So I'm gonna leave a runner here if we do start moving down any further.
You got runners?
No, I don't have runners on this position. I closed full, but because this was the extent of this first range here to the left. All these clean candles. The next area I'm gonna leave all the way to the bottom. No, I closed full. I closed full early at 16.
Wait, did I miss a trade? Yes, you did. Yeah, come early, 6:30, man, no later. Like yesterday, we had no trades at all, and I told you guys how today, like I told you guys tonight, today we'll have a very volatile day, and then Wickstein, you said last night we'll have a very volatile day today. With price action, that's usually how it goes. Like if you guys have been watching this for months now, you guys will notice that like days of news, like days of like heavy news like that, like where we push 400, 500 pips, like days like that, we usually get nothing. Usually we get nothing. Like maybe like one time we actually got something that day, but the next day, when things settle down, we have leftover volume. That is our bread and butter. That's what we take advantage of. You had a second opportunity here too. Like you had that push going down. It was a nice, like I think 11 pip advantage point. Very nice. What stock is that? This is gold. XAU USD. Is there a way to tell from previous candles that's going to be a runner or not? Yeah, look at the higher time frame. Look at the 4-hour. In this case, like I wouldn't have anticipated a runner, to be honest, in this case.
But you can
go ahead. Go on.
You can stay over here on the hourly, right? And you can look to the left, and you can realize that. Oh wait, I can't see what you're doing because you're not doing it on TradingView. I mean on Zoom. I'm on Zoom. But go to the hourly, not on the 5-minute. So there's your hourly drive, right there. So you can imitate that candle, you can imitate that candle, and you can have your runners down to this candle. But technically, because look how clean this drive was, you're gonna correct this drive probably up to these levels, at least up to those levels for sure.
You need to close below 9.3, I think.
But you're gonna need to close here.
I don't think the 4 can broke the lows yet. This thing was bullish today.
But the thing is the daily. We said this yesterday during stream also. Is the daily closed bullish, but right at resistance. So we might see the daily come up, fill the wick of the previous day, and come back down in range. And it's pretty much what it's done. It's filled the wick, it broke it, but it's come back down in range. So if you go to daily, it's at a daily resistance right there. So we might end like a doji today. This candle might, it drove up, drove down, but we might close out like a doji.
Yep. I'll say, chat, to be better off, wait for this 1 hour close now. Below 1893. That's what I was waiting for. Below 1893, you wait, get a closure below there. You should have more direction afterwards, or more idea of where price is going to drive. So you have 25 minutes left. Yo, you know what's funny today, Wix? I did not do an analysis at all. I came to the charts at 840, 640. I'm like, yeah, chat.
Oh shit, we're forming. Yep.
We I don't know if we could I don't think we can do an analysis right now.
Yeah, I gotta see a trade coming up.
Yeah, we got a trade. That's it.
Personally, I don't really care if I see a trade coming up as I just hop on. I let that shit go now. Because if it was for me, I probably would trade it, but for the sake of the stream, I let it go just so people could learn. And
yeah,
like,
but I was like, you know what, man? Like, chat was on me yesterday for not taking a trade. I'm like, yeah, man, I am not gonna be friendly today.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna.
know.
Well, like, no, it was a pretty like it was pretty straightforward. I think chat just knew what we were doing anyways. Like, chat was on the ball already with us.
It was also like 640, 645. If it was like 630 on the dot and you're hopping on and you're like, oh shit, here's a trade, then yeah, you gotta miss it. But 640, yeah, it's enough time, you know. 5 minutes into the stream, 10 minutes, that's enough time. People catch on. Usually I'd like to do a little breakdown, and then if shit's happening during the breakdown, I let it go. Because with the way the 5 minutes been working, we're getting positions regardless.
It's funny because I have a notepad on my phone that when I was sampling the 5, I was keeping notes of, I was taking screenshots, circling certain things that I noticed, and one of those things was the entry that we had here. Because like initially, I think people were looking for sells below here. But I wasn't interested in sells below there until you had this bullish candle closure here. The moment you had that bullish candle closure, I was like, okay, you close below there, we'll be in there like swimwear. Because that's what I literally sample sized throughout like basically all of December. You looking at the range 2. I sent the screenshot too, but it's like the range 2 breakout. When price is going, you know, against the bias, and you need that little range 2 or range 3 in that case.
You needed to form a range 2. You needed to form a support and then break it in order to know that you have established the support, and now you're gonna break it to drive. We're saying that, but if it was Asian, he's such 100%. There was honestly, chat. There was a couple of times in the Q4 where I was hopping on and there was a trade at like 805 or 750, and I just completely ignored it because there was no educational value there. There's no value there. It was just me coming on and be like, hey guys, look, I got a trade. Ta-da!
Somebody said, yo, Don, I am thinking of a commitment. If you guide me, I got a small account and I cannot afford my stop with 40 pips. Guide me if I can risk 4 or 5% gains or of 2 or more. Here's the thing, my brother. No matter what digit you have in your account, no matter how much your balance is, 1% is 1%. 2% is 2%. 3% is 3%. A 100K account, 10K account, $1,000 account, $100 account, $10 account, 1% is 1%. So you, my friend, to saying like, oh, I got a small account, I cannot afford my stop to be 40 pips, guide me because you're trying to make 2% or more, you are chasing money, my friend, and that is something you do not want to do, right? You want to risk. Imagine you had a 40K account. Would you want 4 to 5% gains, or would you want to risk 4 to 5% per trade? No, you'll probably want to risk 1% per trade. So same thing with your small account. Risk the same percentage. Risk 1%. Like, what's 1% of 40 bucks? Fucking 40 cents, right? Is that math off? So per trade, that's how much you probably want to risk. And yeah, to you it may not be a lot, but to someone else it may be a lot more. And over time, eventually that account will grow. That account will come to it will go from a $4 account to an $8 account, to a $100 account, to a $200 account, eventually it will grow. But your strategy needs to be refined before your profits get refined, because your profits aren't going to get refined if your strategy is not refined. That's just how it works. Small account or big account, a lot of traders think they can't trade a small account because they can't be profitable. That is not true. You are just disillusioned. You need to refine your strategy. That's all that is. Because no matter account size, the strategy, it's the same strategy, it's the same concepts, same price action. Nothing really changes. You'll get to where you want to get to. Like, you know, I always say all the time, man. Like, eventually I'll get to $1 million account. But am I gonna get there today? Probably not. Like, can I get there next year? Who knows? Like, I don't know. I have no goals. I got no goals when it comes to trading. I got no goals, no targets, none of that. I just trade for what it is. And over time, as long as, because all I focus on is my strategy. That's all I focus on. Everything else comes naturally. Gains, profits, everything else just comes naturally over time. So eventually I'll get to where I want to get to. It's just, there's no pressure. I'm not putting pressure on myself to get there. Like, I got no pressure right now to trade $1 million account. Like, why? I'm okay with trading this 300K account. That was once 150. That was once $10. That was once, you know, $100. Like, I'll get there. Can you please tell us your strategy? You gotta come to the streams every day, bro. You gotta come to the streams at 6:30 to 9 every day and buy yourself a pair of headsets, you know? Like, buy yourself a pair of these. Just a pair of headsets. Put these on, you know, put these headsets on and listen. Once you listen, you will gain knowledge. And after you gain some knowledge, you write down that knowledge so you don't forget that knowledge. But you need to start with these headsets first. You need these headsets, these headphones. So buy them on Amazon, whatever you want. Or purchase a pair and tune in, because it's only the 13 days into January, 13 days into the year, and we have like 200 plus days left of trading left of live streams. So it's gonna be a long year. The year just started. If you missed this move today, fucking forget it, bro. You have the whole year. Imagine, this is only 13 days in. Now imagine like when we're 150 days into the year. Live streaming every day. You have your opportunities, man. Don't get no FOMO. Some of you guys are FOMOing, man. It's only like fucking 13 days into the year. Like, chat, it's the markets just start, like the markets just opened up. Just ordered some AirPods. Nice. What color? I should have got space gray, but I got these colors. How do you deal with your emotion when you trade hit break evens and then it goes to take profit? I already accepted the fact that when I drag my line to break even, I'm accepting the fact that if this trade hits break even, it hits break even. I can't do anything about it. If I really didn't want that trade to hit break even, I wouldn't have moved my stops to break even. So when the time comes and hits break even, I can't complain. You should never complain in trading.
He knows there's another trade coming.
Yeah.
He knows there's gonna be another trade. Don't give a shit.
When you're confident.
The next trade, another one. So you can hit whatever you want, break even, TP, get a stop loss. There's another trade coming. Settle down. Okay? Stop questioning things that are given. It's a given. Another trade is coming.
Yeah. Like, just imagine, like, I don't know, if you're confident in your analysis, like what Wixon just said, if you're confident in your analysis, you understand that there will always be another trade there because your strategy actually works, right? When you sample size your strategy 1,000 times, back tested things 1,000 times, you understand that your strategy actually works. So you wouldn't hold on to that last trade for dear life, like, oh my god, that trade could have went 100% profit. You understand that there's a new trading opportunity. that will arise tomorrow, the day after, later on the day, and you will be able to be part of that trade. And that's just what trading is. You're not going to catch every move unless Instagram. You can't catch up to Instagram though, man. Instagram's like the market maker. They come in first place. You cannot come in first place. You gotta come in second. Let Instagram does what it wants to do. Let your feed does what it wants to do. Your job is come in second place.
Sure, Wix, your course. Wix don't got the course, but Wix can teach that course.
Don, $10 donation. Joseph Mana. Don, you the GOAT. Been trading for 7 months. Finally found some consistency. Believe in yourself and keep faith. I always tap in streams when I can. Keep doing what you doing, bro. Also, Wix 9 is dope. Thank you, man. Appreciate that.
In line.
Thanks for the 10. Thank you. Thank you. 7 months? So you came to the streams in like August, September, October, November, December, January.
No, Joseph, you are dope.
February. August, July-ish. Damn, so you came around a downfall, huh? I'm telling you, Wix, that one day when I did a 12-hour stream, things went 24-hour stream, things went downhill from there. I swear that day when we did the 12-hour stream, things went downhill for like a good 4 months.
Know what that means, right? You got to do a shorter stream, not a longer stream. I think you got to be here for like an hour and a half, and then we're gonna slay.
Yo, a lot of people have a lot of like conspiracy theories when they're trading. Like someone today was like, yo, Don, it's Friday at 13. Are you sure you want to trade today? I'm like, what does Friday at 13 have to do with the markets? You know, I'm Freddy Krueger. Okay. Street culture, for real, street culture. Are you thinking of buying or snorting it when it breaks even? What do you mean? I have no intentions to buy or sell right now until we get a 1 hour closure in about 13 minutes.
Snorting it?
He said, oh, he said shorting it. I'm sorry to hear that, Leon. Oh man, wish I had awesome high rears today. Yo, 2.4K yesterday. I still can't believe it. I was talking to my girl yesterday. I'm like, yo, 2.4K viewers. Like, I literally, it's crazy. It's crazy.
Oh.
I'll never forget the day, man. I'll never forget that one day when someone told me these exact words. I'm too big to worry about that small stuff. You know, it's directed towards me. I'll never forget that day. I had like maybe 50 viewers that day. And that's what keeps me going. Just keep going. Lock with the noise. Look forward.
You see? Just pettiness. All pettiness.
Use pettiness to motivate yourselves. Yeah.
Chat, don't sweat the petty stuff and don't pet the sweaty stuff. Some words of wisdom for you.
My lights off? Yeah, I'm turned on. Turn on.
Yeah, all right. We got the clapper. What happened? The seahorse don't want to listen to you?
They don't want to listen to me. Hey, Wix, remember one period in time, Wix? It was like, I think it was around like August and July. I just thought of this. Like, one period in time when we took a lot of we took like I think 4 or 5 losses that month or something like that, 6 losses that month. And someone said, yo, Don, like you don't look like you care about your losses anymore. It got to that point. They're just like, yeah, you know, Don, like, you know, like when you take a loss, you look like you don't care about it anymore. Like, because why would I care about a loss?
September.
Yeah, September is around that time. And they're like, yo, Don, why, it looks like you don't care about your losses anymore. Like, I do care about my losses, but why would I emotionally worry that I'm taking a loss? Like, why should that be one of my worries when the markets are here tomorrow?
No, no New York stream Monday, but there is a New York.
Wait,
There's an
what?
Asian stream.
Why
It's
not?
a holiday. State holiday.
Ah, Monday. Darn it.
But we'll be back on Monday for Asian. So 8 p.m. Monday. See you there.
Damn, no Monday stream? Darn it. Damn, I can't stream Monday. Darn it. I guess chat, I'll see you guys Tuesday, man.
It's when they curse on Disney Channel. That's what it sounds like. Oh, darn it.
Are you funded? No, sir, I'm not funded, but what's that Kawhi meme? I'm a fun guy or something like that. How's that video go? I want to watch it.
Yourself, and what would you like people to know about you?
I'm a fun guy. Obviously, I love the game of basketball. I mean, it's just more question you have to ask me in order for me to tell you about myself. I just can't give you a whole spiel. I don't even know where you're sitting at.
Yo, his laugh is mad funny.
Yo, you can't even recreate this laugh.
He's right there.
Yeah, the glasses. There you go.
Yo, this is a great time in Toronto history, bro. When he came to Toronto, yeah,
Yeah, it was a great few months in Toronto.
it was a great fucking few months. This guy won us a championship and dipped. Like, this guy took his profits and on to the next. But look at him. Been struggling. He hasn't been playing. Should stay in Toronto.
At least he's a fun guy.
Bro took profits and dipped for real. No runners. He could give us a runner at least for a couple years, but no runners. Just took profits at 10 pips and dipped.
Oh shit.
What's the best way to start to learn day trading? Come to the streams every day. That's the best way. And
What's my Asian
educate yourself. New viewer, side Taron. Alright. Day 2 in the stream. Let's go. What up, Snoopy? Snoopy Rainbow, what's going on? How much start this account? It says right here. Deposit the bottom left. Oh, for real, bit of chat flip. Live in Canada here. You always gotta get the. I always gotta get this with you, man. You always need the lip balm. Bands patch is glitch, Don. Yeah, eventually they will patch the glitch. Yeah, that's why we adapt, though. Dun, dun, dun. I didn't realize that 15 broke the highs before it drove there. Interesting. Nah, that was interesting. Did not see that. My first week here in streams. Yo, how long you guys been watching me and Wixline for?
How many of you are coming here from my stream?
Yeah, you bring in a good amount of viewers here. You bring on viewers that aren't awake during New York session, and they wake up just for New York session now, and they're like, yeah.
Because they weren't aware of it before, and during Asian we tell them about it.
That's why we need London too, man. We need someone for London, and then we'll be Gucci. Someone that's consistent and just like very in tune. Like, we're still finding that person, and it's gonna take some time because it takes time to show consistency. Because I want to see you trade for a quarter, a year, see how you do under pressure, right? To be like part devious in London session. So I'm gonna need someone in London, but it has to be another Don or Wix. Maybe it's Nexus, huh? Come to the streams, yo. Mark my words.
Mark my words. We'll be streaming next year. What I do, watch Wix, and first time here, LOL. Dipping to his channel. What? Wix not live yet. Wix live at 8 p.m. and not tonight because it's Friday.
You got nothing to do.
You ain't got shit to do.
You ain't got a job.
You ain't got a job. I'm gonna get you high today.
It's been a minute since you said that.
I know.
Yeah, Wixon's here in AM and he streams the Tokyo session. I unfortunately am too busy or tired to be there during the AM, so I'm usually not there, but yeah.
You're here in the AM and yours Tokyo. So yeah, mine is the Asian session on my stream, on my channel, and New York stream on Don's channel. How you get fired on your day off?
Traders don't trade on Fridays, huh? A lot of traders don't trade today. A lot of traders aren't here today. Been watching since I didn't have a webcam, so you know who Wixon is then.
Maybe he is talking about me.
A lot of
Oh, shit,
people,
you know what?
I know one of my first people who've been watching me. I remember that group of people. I definitely remember. I only had like 8 people watching the streams. I knew all their names.
Chat, you know what I haven't done yet? I haven't liked the stream. So please, join me. Get in line. Join me. Stand in the back. One by one. Let's go. I'm going to drop one right now. Boom.
Thank you.
Like drop. So you guys need to be reminded. I need to be reminded. Always forget. Drop these likes up to the channel. And just show up. Show up when you get the notification that we're live.
And show up early too, or else you be on the other end complaining about
Oh, dead.
About no trades or you're late.
I'm from Germany. Deutschland. Scheiße.
Don't you know German?
No,
Oh.
but I can curse in it. Arschloch.
I swear you know German.
Du
Or is that
bist
someone
ein
else?
Arschloch.
What does that mean?
You're an asshole.
Damn.
I spent the summer in Germany, actually. I spent 3 months.
Back in what year?
In 2007, 2008. I went to Dusseldorf, and then I took a nice trip down the River Rhine for a few days, and then I went to Köln, and after Köln, we drove through Belgium and Switzerland. Oh, you live in Dusseldorf, so does my cousin. And then after driving through Belgium and Switzerland, we went to London for a couple of weeks, and then we went to Paris for a couple of weeks.
Paris?
Paris, yeah.
Paris?
Yeah, and then we went back to Dusseldorf for about a week, and then I did. But I don't speak German. I just picked up a few things while I was there with my cousin. That's it. You like Paris? I had to walk up the Eiffel Tower because the elevator was closed. I already told this story. All of a sudden, people are speaking German.
You have a 1 hour closure here. Now look, chat. You have a 1 hour closure here, and this candle, if you take a close look at it, it's closing back into the range, like officially back into the range, right? This candle didn't close officially back into the range, but this one is. So since this one's back into that range there, especially since it's below that support level right around here, I would at least expect price to drive down now to fill that wick and fill that range, tapping like the 1892, 1893 mark, right? Anywhere in that zone would be ideal. So this is probably what you are going to expect now for this ADM candle. The question is what's going to happen down here. Not really much of here, because here you know it's going to drive down here, but the question is what's going to happen down here. Is it going to reject or drive through there? So if I'm looking for sells here on this 80-hour ADM candle, how would I anticipate sells? Well, you do have a 5-minute range here, and honestly probably move that support down towards those levels.
Honestly,
you could probably say anything below here, chat, would be ideal for sells, to be honest. Below 1894 coming down towards 1892, like that would be your ideal for sells to drive down further, because you have that 5-minute range here. You kind of create a support here, you create resistance, you're in a range. You probably want to see a closure below for more sells come down. All right, so that's probably what I'll wait for. As for GJ, I'm gonna do a rapid, like, quick analysis here, because I didn't do an analysis for GJ or gold yet.
so that was it. Back to gold.
Yep. All right, that's
your
it.
analysis.
That's the analysis.
It's the extent of your GJ analysis.
That's fine. I just redo a 4-hour analysis later on. I think everyone's on the same boat.
Sell again. Back to gold.
Gold's the way to go. Yeah, gold has always been my pair.
A W Mufasa coming out party.
I've been low-key looking here around 3 months now. I'm damn happy to say your knowledge compelled me to post my first comment ever at any chats. Godspeed. Damn, we're your first comment any chats and any
Ever.
live streams ever. Hey man, that means a lot coming from you.
You're on your way. Now that you made your first comment, it's addictive. Now you can just start talking.
Yeah, now you're gonna start spamming
Major shit.
start spamming this green guy in the morning. Green Wix 9 Juan Whoa. I'm from Kenya. What's going on?
Mufasa. It's like getting a tattoo. You get one and then it's like, fuck, I need more. I'm not leaving until you do my whole body.
Yo, is that a Cardi
delicious.
fucking profile pic? Comparative TV? Comparative TV? Do you ever do swing trades? No, but
Camaraderie.
sometimes we are in a situation to turn our scalps into swings, yeah, but not lately. No, I haven't really been trying to swing or anything. I've just been trying to be in and out, get in, get out. That's about it. I can't wait to have. I think.
It yesterday.
Pardon?
Somebody's like, Wixu smashed it yesterday. No, we didn't. We ranged yesterday, but we did smash the buys for London, right? The level that we put up worked perfectly. A closure above it just drove nonstop.
You know what's funny? Yesterday, you probably got a lot of comments saying, Wix, Asian session is dead. Why are you trading Asian?
No, we knew it. Like, we spoke about it. People weren't even commenting. Do you know what they literally commented? Actually, go to my stream. Go to 947.
947. We got a closure here, but I'm looking at stops here. I don't know if we can have a decent stop here, because realistically, I want to have something up here. But if we can come up to like tap 1898 and then come back down close below, I'll be fine with taking stops below there, yeah. But I want to see some type of liquidity being grabbed in this range here, or in this zone here, or aka top wick for the 1 hour candle. Really, that's all that is, because it's a fake out, right? Worst case that we get more sells below 92 anyways. Like, you have plenty of range today. I wouldn't stress. Wix 9. What time?
9:47.
Oops. Media by accident. My fault. My fault. But unmute yourself.
No.
Yeah, that's the number one question we're getting. Indica or sativa?
This is how the fuck it went right here.
What about this?
Oh, you got to go to the beginning of that. And you got to go to 9:46.7.
Tomorrow, outfits, but they ain't living together.
Right now, when I said tomorrow.
Okay.
Mhm.
You gonna see something else or what?
Yeah, stop.
Market's just ranging. Yeah, they're ranging. Can't do anything about this. This has been our session. Yeah, these two candles. 8
Bro,
p.m.
sounds-
9 p.m.
Listen.
If you gave me copyright on this song, man.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna be the one that puts in the request with YouTube.
Wait, what are you trying to say here? Oh, okay, here we go.
This has been our session. Look at these massive. Oh. Tomorrow in the New York session, when Don asks me how your session went, I'm gonna tell him to fast forward to 1 hour and 47 minutes of the stream, 9:47, so he can see me drawing this box right here. This is gonna be my answer to tomorrow. How did the Asian session go? I'm gonna tell him just go look at 9:47.
Yo. Damn.
This is how the fuck it went right here.
Damn. How long did I do that for? Until
Whole
like
session. London.
Yeah, London
Yo,
push.
this fucking sun is coming out. Yo, where the fuck did you come from? I'm melting. Ah!
T-chat. Say no to
shit.
drugs, kids.
Yeah, but smoke weed every day. Where's my damn soundbite?
Hey, did we close? Yeah, cool. Oh, we got top wick. Wow, we broke the highs. I've wanted to see this zone realistically. I've mentioned it. Like I want to see this tap like 87, 88, like in that zone. Like if you get a range 1 fake or something, that'll be great. I want this private close bullish though. That'll be preferred. And then we do something like this, right? And we form support here. We can draw a line there instead. And then say, okay, local resistance here. And then from here, you get a bearish closure at resistance. Perfect. I'll take my sales coming down once you close below this support now. Like this support down here. Like this, right? And then we take sales coming down. Like that would be perfect. I want some type of top wick on a 1 hour or something here in this case. Before we just start to drive.
Why do you smoke weed wicks? Because I can.
Hey man. He's been doing that before I was born, so.
That's pretty much true. Used to be a lot better weed back then. Or it used to hit harder.
Well, maybe because you fucking.
I had some rookie ass lungs.
Maybe because now you just fucking doesn't even like, you don't even get high anymore. You just kind of just do it. It's just part of you. Like you don't even like feel it. Like it's just what you do.
This is me at homeostasis. This is my Wix in his natural habitat.
Like Wiz
Neighbors
Khalifa
pass
and
my
Snoop
house.
Dogg. They don't even like. It's just this is what they do. It's just them.
Yeah, it's what they do. It's their functional self. Neighbors pass my house and look through the fence going, there he is, smoking in his natural habitat, kids. There's a Wix right there. Damn, no top wick previous candle.
It's crazy because Wixon used to be like Wixon. I can't believe this guy used to wear a suit to work every day, huh?
I did have to wear a suit.
Did you have dress by then?
No, that's going back. You're going back like 15 years. I
God.
was bald. I was like completely bald. I had to shave my head
You got a
bald.
picture?
Me?
Wearing a
the bank?
suit, working at the banks.
Yeah, somewhere. I find one. I might have one on my phone. Hold
I'm trying to see.
on. I'm trying to see two now. Hold on.
Sounds like who's getting in. I am not quite yet. Not quite yet. Because it's either come up to like it's have 1898, and I think sells below here, or I get sells below like 92 probably 1892 below there. Because below 1892, at least you have range going down further. You'll be breaking all the 1 hour lows. You have all this clean traffic to the left coming down towards like 1888. But right now we're in a sticky situation. We also didn't break the 4 hour lows yet. We are very close. By the way, chat, keep that in mind, okay? I'm not sure how Trader's Domain looks, but on Oanda, this thing is like maybe three pips away. So it's very close to breaking on lows. Hasn't broken just yet. It came close, I think, 2 times by now. I think that low is very crucial. Very, very crucial low.
No, I don't have a picture, but I got a picture of me bald. I don't have a picture from the bank. Profile view, bro. Profile view. Looks bald.
Wait, what? Yeah, send that on Discord. Hold on, I can't see.
You guys can screenshot that.
Yo! Hold on. Do it again.
I gotta post a better picture. No, there's one. You know what this picture is? This is the first picture I have on my phone. This is the first time I seen my first kid. I'm actually looking down at her. Hold on.
Damn.
Nah, bald.
That was like 25, something like that, right? You're at
Yeah,
25?
I'm 20. No, I'm 26, 27 in that picture.
Damn. I'll eventually be 30 or 11 too. That vote from 1975. Yeah, I colored back then.
Nah, that's crayons right there. This shit's black and white. I colored it in.
Wait, 15 years ago, 27. No. That's the wrong number. That's the wrong number. Which is not 42.
No, that's 15 years ago. We're talking about the bank. That picture is from like 2012.
Boy, I said 975. But it didn't have microwaves.
Anybody else see comp pop up for a second? Yeah, chat. There's fucking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 people here in the Zoom. There's other people here.
Yo, Zoom, do you guys want to see my... Like, how do you guys want... Okay, so right now you guys see my Google, which is the charts. But do you guys want to see what I see, like what the stream sees? Because I can just share that screen instead next time. Like, it's a Zoom side. It's gonna be
Yeah, keep it the same.
Keep it the same, right?
Keep it the same for reference. This way I can reference what you're showing on the screen.
All right, because I'm always on this. I'm always showing on MT5 now.
What'd you do in the bank? I used to do financial consulting.
Don't you have your what's it called again?
I had to wear, they couldn't know that I got tattoos. I had to wear long, extra long sleeves and all this shit all the time. Like for interviews, nobody no.
Yo.
These are fucking out of pocket. Chat, bold.
So you used to trade the banks, basically.
Yo, bald or afro?
Yeah, you look like Sheamus there, man. You look like Sheamus there from WWE.
Bald or afro? That's my hair look like.
You look like Sheamus, man. That's how you look.
Put him up. Put him up.
Dude, this is definitely Wixnut. No, he looks like that guy from Home Alone. Wet bandits. Bro, look like this guy. Marv. Marv. Nah, bald for real.
That's why I had. That's a. You know, when I started growing my hair, I had to put it in locks. Otherwise, this shit would be like a fro, size of I don't know what. Yeah, I get a huge afro. I got a dip. My power going off. Shortly, South Africa thing. Is that normal? Like once a week? Hey guys, power outage time. You guys have a scheduled power outage?
Yeah, it's a schedule. Yeah.
What are you, California? How is that working? Cali does that.
Yeah, load shedding is like, I don't know how. Yeah, does the schedule change every month or something? Like, how does that work? Or every day is the same then? So, like, well, yeah, what if you get like a backup power or something? Like, there's no way you could have power. Like, damn. So you guys don't have power for how long every day? 4 or 5 hours?
Damn, I'd be pissed.
My editors were like, wouldn't used to have load shed, and they'll be like, oh, I can't edit right now. I can't edit till 1 p.m. later.
Yeah, but can't you do shit on like a
I don't know.
iMac or a MacBook?
Yeah, charge your devices, I guess, but 4 hours every 6 hours? Every 6 hours, 4 hours? Damn. Damn. That is a lot of time. Hey, Gold's doing exactly what you wanted here now. Perfect.
So I put a nuclear reactor in my backyard. You should be fucking mining ether with a nuclear reactor in the backyard.
Yo, didn't you used to mine stuff? Like, you used to mine crypto, right? Or
Yeah.
Bitcoin?
Yeah, no, ether.
Ether?
Yeah.
Damn. So you used to have a bunch of
20.
GPUs?
2016, yeah. I had the.
Or you used to get a
12
shovel back
rig-
then? Back then you used to have a shovel, right? No GPU?
We had 12 rigs with 7 cards each. But the cards at the time, they were weak. I think they were like 1080 or something like that. 1060. I don't remember.
6 and 60 stuff, yeah.
We used to pay a lot too much for power. That's why it just became. It made more sense at some point to just buy ether and hold it than to mine it, because we would be paying like I'm no joke right now, like 21 cents a kilowatt to start off, and then it went to like 30 cents a kilowatt. You'd have to steal power from somewhere to fucking be profitable. We started in like a big ass building, like a apartment building, and we would knock out the power to our building and the building next to us like every other night. So we had to move the shit.
But you had a crib, right?
Eventually,
It wasn't a condo?
And it was we set it up in an apartment building, and we were taking power from the entire block. It just made no sense. In order for you to be profitable at that time, you had to get your electricity costs had to be like at least 16 or less than 17 cents kilowatt in order for you to make money on mining ether.
Damn. I know nothing about mining stuff, so.
That's all right. We sold every rig, and then we just.
That's when you got into FOREX, right? I remember.
That's how FOREX came about. Cause you know what? If I didn't know anything about crypto and I'd be introduced to FOREX, it'd be a little bit of a different reaction. Because when I was introduced to FOREX, I already knew, everything there is to know about Bitcoin and Ether and Ripple and like basic how the charts work. I didn't know how to trade, but I had an understanding of, buying and selling crypto. So it was easier to understand FOREX.
4x. This is
Twitch
what I
in his
do right
damn
here.
homes.
4x.
That made GPUs so expensive. Yeah, I used to order GPUs like 50 or 100 at a time from a company in California. They're called, but they only work with businesses. They were called Ma Labs or Ma Labs, M-A Labs, Ma Labs. You get an account with them, you get a business account with them.
Look at
May have access.
gold doing what we are expecting it to do. Hey, if you have sold gold there, be careful, right? I mentioned you need some like type of liquidity being grabbed here. So this 1 hour candle may be creating that right now. And then once you close below, you know, next whatever, how long, we'll get in some sells.
Take it out.
Yeah, look at that. That is, I mean, I would expect at least 97 here, get tapped, 97, 98. And once you tap those levels, we will look for sells below 19 or 1894. Back in my day, 1894. One day I'm gonna be saying back in my day, 2000. Back in my day in 2020, I used to do live streams. I used to sit with this guy who smokes weed every day. This chat that would ask me some crazy questions.
I'm probably gonna be the only one listening to you. You're gonna be telling me the story about back in your day.
Yo, what's
Nobody
that?
want to
Remember
hear that shit.
Remember back in my day?
I never want to hear a back in my day story. Like every time I hear somebody say back in, I'm all right. I'll see you later. Let me know when you get to today. Let me know when you get to present.
But grandpa, how did I become a profitable trader? How long did you become profitable? Back in my day, you have something called funded accounts.
Lots of back in the day. I don't listen to lots of back. Stop living in the past. God
Live
damn it.
in the future. I'm 43, but a lot back in my day. I got a lot back in my days too. Back in 2010 though. Back in 2016.
Right.
Oh, that was the back in my day.
When Don says back in my day, he means last summer. Like last summer was crazy. Had a bad week.
No, I'm not funded. Yeah, I'm 2000. Yeah, 2000 don't seem real, right? Buy or sell? Well, we got the liquidity we wanted for now. Like, you know, like, this is what I mean, Chad. You have to always plan out your trades, plan out your ideas. In this case, we did.
Key master.
We planned out the top. We planned out this candle here. And now we wait for the next closure below 1894. And then once you close below 1894, you get sells. And if you don't close below 1894, then you don't get sells. You don't get positions. And if you close back above 1901, maybe we might consider buys. But we know exactly what we're waiting for now. Closure below 94 or closure above 901. Anything from 94 to 901 is a no trade zone for me, sir. Right? And we also caught that trade earlier today too on stream, so we kind of gotta just chill here. No need to rush for positions. No need to force more positions here. Just relax, chill. Right? And you will have more opportunities very soon. Look at that. So if we can close bearish here, I wouldn't really take the onion. I'll more so take sells only if you close below 94, because I want to see us break out of this range here. Right? But something like this would be ideal probably. We get a closure like this. And then below here. And then I'll take sells below there. But we are overall bullish running looking for buys here because I need ranges. I need a structure to break here. So buys will be above 1901. I mean, the 4 candle hasn't broken the lows yet. I can still flip bullish. The daily is still bullish today, right? But what I will say though is that if you start to close below 94 here, you can also go back to what Wick said Wick said this morning and say the daily candle closed at resistance. So that's probably why we may be driving down today, because the daily closed bullish, yeah, but it didn't close above the range. You got me. In it, mate.
I got it.
Bruv. Why do people ask buy or sell or move faster? That's your second text message. Yeah, you know, man.
Nice.
It's just how people, they need to go
Chat.
and invest in this product right here. They need to invest in a pair of headsets. You buy a pair of headsets, you can use your ears to listen to the stream, and then after that you could buy a notepad and take notes while you're listening to the streams, and from there you can learn.
Looks good right there.
Some of you guys might need 2 headsets, you know. Some of you guys might need 2 headsets to educate.
Is that like, do you get like 4D sound in there?
So I got FOREX down in here.
That's how you hear chat, right? That's how you hear chat.
Yeah, I need to hear chat every day. When I don't have a headset on, I can't hear chat.
You drink enough coffee, you're gonna hear chat.
You're gonna see chat.
Mm.
Don's a real one. Actually responds to IG DMs. I respond to every single DM that I can.
It's a paid actor.
Yo, by the way, what did you post? Nav.
Yo, y'all caught that?
What?
It's been said that car is still driving.
bro. I didn't think it. Bro lost his car. Oh man, that's funny. Man lost his car. Wow. Hey man, I'm a better driver than you think, guys. I'm a better driver than you think, bro. He uses chat GPT to reply to everyone. No, a lot of my DMs are just like, Don, there's a fake account. What do I do? Report it, guy, and block it. Like, what do you want me to say about it? I mean, to fucking go on Instagram and delete every fake account there is. If you go on Instagram chat and search up It's Don Vo, I don't even have enough fingers to count how many It's Don Vo there are. There's like 1,000 It's Don Vo.
I started telling people to send them money. You were
Yeah.
like, yo, someone just messaged me from your account. I was like, send them money. Really? Yes, send them money. What's the Asian stream? Wix9 channel. Yeah, I feel like the mods are getting burners now, right? I think Sarko, not burners, but fake accounts, scammer accounts.
Like,
right?
is it just me, or like I think everyone in the industry has fake accounts of them, but like I feel like I have a lot more than others. Like, I don't know. Like, I remember Q Banks had a lot too when I used to follow him. Like, a lot of guys have a lot, but I don't know. I've seen so many of my own. Too many. I'm not gonna lie. When I saw my first fake account, I was like, hey, okay, we're getting out there. We're getting out there. We're getting out there. Yeah. When I saw the first fake account of my account when someone made it, I'm like, wow, okay, it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. Yeah, I mean, I guess I'm doing something right? But it's not really great though for a lot of people who get like caught into that stuff, like get scammed and stuff by other people. It's not really good for that, but I can't really do anything about that. You just gotta not get scammed. Like, how do you get scammed? Why would you follow It's Donvo 1 and not It's Donvo regular? You think It's Donvo regular came after It's Donvo 1_45?
You clicked through the homie yawning like 4 times, and I've yawned like 4 times. Every time you click through that devious meme, I'm sitting here yawning.
What do you drive? I drive my getting my test next month. do my test next month. That's why I
he
drive.
got those Lamborghinis. Chevrolegs, baby.
Don just asked me my house keys for a 100% runner. What should I do? Dom, your fake accounts be so dumb. They message us while you streaming. Yeah, they gotta be a little smarter than that. A bit smarter than that. Celery buy? Oh, the celery. I don't think we had the celery this year yet, right? I don't think we've had that yet. This is clean, guys. You guys have the new page here. We added a new page called IG. I don't think you guys have that. I think only I have that. But it's clean. It shows your lifetime to the left. It shows your year to the left. Your month. Kind of cool. Kind of cool.
That's the new journal.
No, that's the new page in the journal. We have like 5 pages here. We have setup, stats, journal, IG. IG is for me to post screenshots because Badger knows I post screenshots a lot. It's like, yeah, I made one just for you for IG. Like, respect. That's dope.
Badger got wrenched last night.
Pause.
Talk to Badger. That's his thing.
All right, you got a 30-minute close here, guys. You got a 30-minute closure here. Yesterday you had news 24 hours ago. Wow. And everyone's freaking out. Oh my gosh. Gold. Yeah, so today you don't have news, which is good. You have a 30-minute closure here. It looks like this candle here has closed bullish here. And it looks like you have closed like bullish, respecting these levels here. Again, it's just a 30 close. You still have a 1 hour close in about 30 minutes here. So this 1 hour count could still flip bearish. But we did come up to tap that resistance that I mentioned. So this is great. Nothing really changes aside from the fact that we're still waiting for a closure below 1894. So yeah, I guess this is all we can do. Just wait for a closure below there. We can't really do anything in the zone here. I am not interested in buys here just yet. It is a range 1 or a structure range 1. I'm gonna need a closure below the ranger. Something like this would be ideal for sells. Okay. Same thing we're waiting for, and then we'll take sells below here. That'll be a great day. Or we might call it a day. Take a look at GJ. Yeah, GJ's driving heavily. Yeah, GJ. Yeah, GJ. You close below the support. You have more sells coming down. Yeah. I think you just closed too. I'm not really touching GJ, so don't expect me to do anything on GJ here. I am just trading gold as of right now. Yeah, but yeah, below this 30-minute closure, you have all this clean traffic to the left coming all the way down towards here. I think the 4 candle is also breaking a lows very soon too. I think. No, 4 lows we broke it a long time ago. We just broke it already. Yeah, because if you have to take a close look here at the 4 candle as well, you break below this low right here, you may see a push coming down because you have all that clean traffic driving down. Realistically, a 4-hour closure would be more ideal below the support, but yeah, 26 minutes left. So I mean, anything can happen in 26 minutes. If you guys want, you guys can wait for the 4-hour close at 9 a.m. You have a much stronger candle to go to base off of, and you can take sells afterwards. It will also be a 1-hour close too. Still have a 30-minute close, so that's the difference. Gold fake out range 1, yeah.
Последний, может.
He's got to close below. If you close below, you're gonna mirror this to the left. All of this, right? I think we're pretty on point for our analysis today. Everything's been pretty efficient. Very nice. How come you've been staying off of GJ trying to master gold? Nah, it's just the gold's been pretty decent. The market's been pretty decent lately. Typically though, with the 5-minute time frame, I'm not gonna lie, I did not sample size the 5-minute on GJ at all. I have no experience on the 5 on GJ. I've just been looking at the 5 on gold, and price action would usually make a lot more sense on gold than GJ. And also another reason was because like, if you look at our win rate from last year, right? Like our win rate for the year of 2022, bro, we had on GJ, it doesn't show the win rate, does it? Oh yeah, it doesn't show the win rate for each pair. Oh no, here we go. So yeah, look, gold, we had a 77% win rate, right? But GJ, we only had a 69.70. And there's a huge drop there. It's a good like 10% almost. It's a 10% drop between gold and GJ. There's something going on GJ, right? We had 23 wins and 10 losses. And then for gold, we had 99 wins and 29 losses for last year. And there was a very low win rate. So something was going on and we had to figure that out. These stats are corrupted right now though, but yeah, it wasn't a great year for GJ last year for us. 69.69. Yeah, it was around like 69.70. And then this channel had the same thing. The same channel had roughly the same stats too. They had wow, what's the stats right now? 81. Okay, yeah, so we had a 80% for gold last year, and then for GJ we only had like a 71. It's like a 9% drop off. So even off stream too, it's the same result, same difference. I don't know, something's definitely up. 71, 81 now. That's a 10% difference. That's a huge difference, man. That's not like a minor difference. That's a huge difference in our losses. You really need to gain up your mic audio. I mean, gain up. Why? The back? You hear the background or something? I'm not no specialist. The mic, but if you have any tips, let me know. Who's gone subs? Not me. Honestly, chat, I don't know if I'll be staying till like 10 today. I think it's like 9. I'll be fine after that. After 9, we can call it a day roughly. Are you getting GG on a 4-hour? Probably not. I'm gonna be if you guys want to get in GG, get ahead. Like, I think the third close below. I'm just waiting for I'm waiting for the 4-hour close on GG here. Gold, you could, like, if you're forming this support now, right? If gold isn't really like breaking below these levels here, this is technically your range too. And with the daily bias, you can take buys above like 1899, and we're above that red zone up there. I think above 1899, 630, above there going up towards 18901.700. Buys above there wouldn't be too bad. Like, cause look, you came like fairly close to breaking the 4-hour lows and you never broke it. Like, zoom in, look, it never broke the lows. It was maybe like 3 pips away, but you have to officially break the lows for us to say the 4-hour has broken the lows. So now if you didn't break the lows and the 4-hour candle decides to close like bullish above 1900, then 9 a.m. in 20 minutes here, as you're respecting that 4-hour support, you may see the 4-hour candle start to do something like this, right? But it's interesting because the last 3 days have all done the same thing, without news at least. You had a push at 7 to 7:30, and then you ranged from then until like late 8 a.m. to 9. After 9 a.m. to 10, you had another move, and that's what happened like every day this week, basically. how accurate our signals. Well, this is the signals right here. 78, 243 wins, 65 losses. And I think 83 break evens. But yeah, this is it. Same thing as those streams, same result really, same percentages. It broke lows in your broker. Might be a different broker. I'm on a WANA and Blueberry, so these brokers never broke the lows. Yeah. Like I said, even though we're looking at the 5 chat, you always gotta account for the higher time frame, right? Always. And that's what we did today with the daily. Take a trip, what's going on? Compress an audio channel or something? Compressor? I do have that up, but you want me to turn it up? What's going on, guys? Like that? Is that better? The chat, is that better? Better mic, right? Yeah, what's going on? Good morning. Wake up. Wake up, guys. Get off. Get some coffee. Wake up. Stop falling asleep. I know it's getting boring right now. I know you're waiting for a closure, but wake up. McDonald's drive-thru mic. Hello, how may I help you today? Welcome to McDonald's. How may I help you? Hi. Can I get a junior chicken, large fries, and a Coke?
Take 2 number 9s. 1 with cheese.
And large fries.
Take 2 number 45s. A number 7.
Yo, you gotta help me with this, bro. Bro, help me with this. Diego. I don't want to mess anything up, so I'm gonna take a picture of before settings. In case, things go wrong. But what do I change these to? This is my Go XLR. This is my my thing. My thingy thing. So this is what I messed up. Hello. Right? Hello. I don't think that does anything. I don't know. Turn up the mic gain up a little. Okay. So what does that do? Like I hear like the loudness of it though. It's like maybe 2, right? Hello. Like 2 sounds good, right? 2? Okay. How about the threshold and all this stuff? Ratio, attack. What's the attack? 8. Hello. Oh, hello. Hello, my name is Don. Today I am looking to trade gold and GJ. Need a closure above the range on the 4-hour time frame with the daily buys being bullish for the day. What's your thoughts on funding the account? I don't think that does anything, right? I can't notice the difference. Yo, wait, so you don't turn that. Also, threshold. Attack is good. Okay. Just the gain. Also, threshold. What about threshold? Turn it up. Hello. Or down. I think down, right? What I have that? 12? Or 17? What I have that just now?
Why did you change it?
Because someone said someone's a audio expert, so I rather trust him. My mic sounds weird now though. It sounds a little weird. Don't like it.
Nah, shit sounds fine.
-7. -7.
Okay, now you're on studio settings. You look like
-7.
you sound like you're in a
-7.
studio.
Lower attack. Hello. Is that better? You need to mark up the gain a little bit. Okay, gain 3. Hello, that's better. You're making me miss gold here, brother. All right, there you go. I think that's fine. I think it sounds great for
Sounds
messing
exactly
with it. I don't know. It sounds fine to me. I don't know. It sounds a little. I don't like the makeup game. It's so loud. I hear myself. You know what? As long as he doesn't hear me, it's fine. I had a 0 earlier. All right,
Pretty good.
so you have you have a closure here, guys. You have a 5 closure here. You have again 15 minutes left for the 1 hour close. I prefer to wait for the 4 hour close here because I want to really see how this 4 hour candle decides to close here, because if you can close respecting the support, we can get buys going up, right? But if you don't and we close back into the range, we can say this could just be a range 1 for price to drive back down. So I'm probably gonna wait for that in 15 minutes here. So there's nothing much we're gonna really do here. If you want to take buys here, you can. It's up to you. It's up to your analysis. But for me, at least, I'm gonna need a closure on the 4 hour first. Okay. So that's what I'm waiting for. Cool. We only have 1 trade today anyways, chat. So like that's all we got.
Feels like a different day ago.
It feels like a different dimension. Yeah, it feels like we took that like days ago. It's only been 2 hours, you know. Realistically, I think honestly, if I wasn't streaming today, I think I'd just be calling it a day. You have news today? Oh, 10 a.m. news. I won't be there till then. I won't be there today. I'll be here till like maybe 9:30.
Or weekend starts after that.
Like 9:30 probably, and call it a day.
What are you doing today?
I got hockey tonight, 8 p.m. I got nothing till then. I'm probably gonna play some NHL. You know, play some video games or something right after. I mean, it's a Friday. What else can I do? Oh, I got driving school today. I think today. I think I'm waiting for my driving mentor. I'm her best student apparently though. I'm the best student.
When people ask you who's your mentor, just mention her name.
Yeah, for real.
My driving mentor.
What do you play? I play Warzone, Apex, NHL.
Oh, Don's a soldier on Call of Duty.
What are you guys doing today, guys? What are you guys doing today on a Friday, on a beautiful Friday? I also gotta look to get ready for my trip to Turks. I'm excited for Turks.
They're not gonna be on the road in Toronto. They're gonna wait for you to finish. Yo, what car do you drive in?
Toyota. Some smooth as shit though. Like I don't know. I drove my dad's Mercedes and I drove that. I'm like, yo, it's a huge difference. The Mercedes feels a little clunky, but the Toyota drives a little smooth.
Yeah, but it depends on the year.
Oh yeah, that's
and how old the car is. Do they have it? Does your instructor have? Does your mentor have a second pedal?
Yeah, it does. She does, but I told her not to use it. Don't worry about
it. Turn it off. We don't need it.
You don't need that.
Where we're going, you won't need it.
She also bulletproof.
But do the windows roll up and down? Like
no, that's new. It's a new 2022 car. I think it's pretty smooth.
All right, because if you're pulling up to the light and going, it's gonna be some funny shit.
Don be like, no signs from margin. Yeah. Going to hot game tonight? Oh, nice. Where are you going? Who are you seeing? Does Don do life vlogs? Yeah, they'll be coming for sure. My goal, my resolution for this year for YouTube is to up the content a little bit, make better content for you guys. I gotta make new thumbnails this weekend. Have new thumbnails up going for next week. Yeah, pretty chilling. 1,500 viewers. Yo, for real, only 520 likes. You know why? Because when we won that trade today, we only had we won that one trade. We only had, I think, like 1,000 likes, 1,000 viewers or something. We only had like 1,000 to 800 viewers because it was very early, and the earlier bird caught the worm. Yeah, but oh, this is great. If this right here, chat, were to happen, if this were to happen over here
in the range lower.
Yeah, like this were to happen up here, this is perfect for a buy on the break of the highs or on a closure. But that happened below this resistance, so I'm a little worried here. Probably gonna wait for the 4-hour close anyways. Probably gonna wait for the 4-hour close. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, I mean,
Get ready for shorts again. Why, it's summer coming up. Summer's coming up, right? Price is too clean. Yeah, like it was very clean. Like whatever happened here, like earlier that we caught, was that was like the cleanest. That was very clean indeed. This whole push right here. Oops. This whole push right here, and then that whole push right here. All that. That was your move for a day. Until late NY probably.
why sometimes we wait for closure the next two, sometimes
Yeah, I'm
we
gonna
wait
get
for
some
closure, then flip
snacks
to
real
take
quick.
the
Hold on.
trade. Well, that question was for you, but I'll answer it since the homie's getting fucking snacks. I don't know. I smoked and he's got the munchies. It's weird. Strangest thing ever. But you wait for a closure and execute on a smaller time frame because you realize that higher time frames have already made the wick, right? So if you're executing on the 30 or on the 1 hour, you might wait for a top wick or a bottom wick before you flip. But if you execute on the 5, you can probably zoom out onto the 30 and an hourly and already see a wick grabbed, which is basically liquidity grabbed. So the 5 might, and most of the time, not might, but it does just drive through because it's the middle of a higher time frame candle that's already driving. All you're doing is entering in a clean range on the 5. Once it closes above, that's your indication on the 5 that the 30s, the 1 hour is going to drive. So you might not look for a wick, and to generalize it, you might not look for a wick on a smaller time frame because the higher time frames have already made one. Oh, it does freeze. So his trading view freezes on, yeah. Jeremy's right. Your Don's trading view freezes on Zoom whenever he switches to MT5. Thank you very much. You know, I like the bottom and top wicks question a lot better than what color is your car? Or whatever, all that shit. Is your car blue? one thing will provide value and maybe help you stay out of poverty. And the other question will be, the answer will be completely irrelevant, right? My, you serious, Kayla? Thank you, Camaraderie TV. I'm Wix, not Wiz. I don't know who Wiz is that everyone confuses me with. Who's that guy, Wiz? If I wanted to stream as you do, what would be the best approach? Just do it. Do it. Do a stream, do it, and might turn out really well. Might turn out better than you expect. How come you've been looking at the 5-minute mark? Because we're just always growing, right? Building on the concepts that we have already established, right? We have an established base concepts, and we're slowly building our pyramid and stacking the concepts that we apply to the charts. We're stacking them one on top of the other and fine-tuning our strategy, always growing, always optimizing, right? You never reach the pinnacle here, you know? So we're growing, and we've grown all the way to the 5-minute. We're not doing anything new. We're just, you know, like I said, we're optimizing our trading to make it even more profitable. So we've zoomed in now all the way down to the 5-minute. Why 1894 to 1898 was not an onion? What do you mean? You did have an onion. You had a bullish candle print at support, but you had a bullish candle print at support while we were looking for sells, right? So our bias was bearish at the moment at 1894, and you got a support that printed. And when you have a support during a bearish bias, you're going to need a range 2 breakout, which is exactly why Don here is waiting for above 1901 or such. Above 1900, 1901. Gotta zoom into the 1 minute. Like, is this not enough? Why? There's a lot more to optimize on the 5-minute and do better. This guy with his parfait. I look like mashed potato with tomatoes. That's what the fuck that look like. Mashed potatoes, sliced tomatoes. Andre's like, very, very good. Thank you, Don. FedEx overnight to my house.
Who? What?
Influencer breakfast word. Don's on payroll for Kellogg's.
Nah, this is on paper for fresh foods.
What, Chobani started sponsoring.
No, this is
Today's stream brought to you in part by Chobani.
what's that one brand? Hey, what's the best yogurt brand out there? This is brought to you by Iogo. I think my favorite yogurt brand out there is what's that Greek one? Icos? Icos, whatever shit's called. No name. I think that's fire. You also have a 1 hour closure. You know what else is fire? There's 1 hour closure. Yo, Wixon, want to do the breakdown or want me to do the breakdown?
Your stream. Have fun, enjoy.
Alright, well.
Want me to do it? We respected resistance. Hold on.
Imagine you were.
Oh, did you know they moved the annotate button now to the bottom left of the Zoom, so it's much easier now? Now I can just draw anytime I want on your shit.
Oh, I didn't know that.
This
On my screen, it looks like you're whatever. I can drag it around, you know.
Boy.
Alright, chat. So, you have a 4 hour close here. If you take a close look at the 4 hour close, you have a resistance here. Alright, you got a resistance here or a support here at the 18 or 1900 mark, right? This candle to the left here closed bearish, but respecting this zone here, which indicates, yes, I'm doing that, which indicates that you are respecting the support here, all right, at 1900. You didn't close below, you closed right at it. Even though we're bearish, yeah, we closed right at it. So that's something to look out for, okay? Now, if that's the case, and the overall daily trend today is bullish, we have a daily bias that's bullish today, right? You didn't break the 4 hour lows, and the 1 hour count now is closing bullish. Not only did it close bullish, but it is also closing bullish above this zone here, above 1899. You now have clean traffic to drive up on the 1 hour time frame above this zone here to drive up towards the next amount of resistance. So this is your support, this is your next resistance, this is the range you're trying to capitalize off of. So you're trying to see if we could mirror that candle to the left there. Now basically try and mirror this, right? These candles fail to close above, fail to close above. This candle didn't close above, but you can use that as a reference to clean traffic and mirror. So if I'm looking for buys today, or if I'm looking for buys on this 5 minute candle, I will probably say if price is able to break above this zone here in the 5, I wouldn't mind taking buys above there going up towards the top of the next range, which is again the 1 hour resistance up here at the 1904. So anywhere going up towards those levels wouldn't be too bad. So buys above there, closures, that'll be perfect. And then you can just have your stop above the previous zone high. So like roughly in this case 20-30 pips, target up here for 30 pips, but you need a closure above 1900, 971. So that's what I'll wait for, because until then you can just create a bottom wick anywhere on its 1 hour candle. This 1 hour candle could come down to like 1896, create a bottom wick and come back up. That'd be great though if you get that liquidity. But ideally anything above 1900 would be perfect. Cool. So that is the day. I guess that's what we're waiting for next. And
I got a level at 19016, and that's the same level we needed to break last night.
how do you have that level?
Highs. Huh?
How do you have that level?
Because if you go out to the 1 hour, right? And zoom out and go back. Keep going back to the 1 hour. That's the level. That's the 1 in a 30 level on May 22nd, I think. And
Oh, that's
it's
a
the tip
1 hour
of the
level
wick.
though.
Yeah, but it's the tip of the wick here, to the left. If you go to the 1 hour, so it would be breaking all the levels. On the 1 hour, it would be completely. See the wick right here to the left?
Mhm.
Oh, shit, yeah, wrong thing. It would break all of this, so now you would have this completely clean over here, and nothing, no wicks, no rejections, nothing. So I have that level. And if you look on the 5-minute last night, that's the level that you closed above, and no bottom wick. It just drove straight through. Look, and go back to the 5-minute here. And see? You know? It closed, if you zoom in, it closed right above it, and there was no bottom wick, just because it's such a clean range going up and down, it just drove straight up. So I think this is going to happen. If you get this little closure like this, we're not going to see a bottom wick. We're just going to drive straight up here. But within this level, I believe there's going to be some play. There might be play because there's wicks that have rejected.
We can wait for this, yeah. The play is like this, basically. Alright.
Yeah, same play. If that happens, that'd be great, because then you're breaking a resistance, and
That's your push.
you're breaking a resistance above everything. Yeah, so that would be our seller play. The wick special.
Cool. Perfect. So
Perfect.
whatever we just drew out is what we're looking for.
Can I ask what would prevent you from entering wicks? In what case? If we don't get a closure above, I don't enter. Yeah, we get a closure above 1901.69 minute. Damn, I want some strawberries. Are those organic?
Yep, always.
I
No
can already
GMO
taste
shit.
them. Yeah, it's the good strawberries. That's the Driscoll's, right? Yeah, that's the Driscoll's organics right there.
Not this one.
No,
You guys have that in America? I thought it was Canadian. We used to have that.
no, we
I
got
used to
both.
sell
We
it
got
for
regular
my work.
Driscoll's and organic, but I buy the organic shit. Chat, piece of advice: if you like, it's not worth the only things that you need to get organic are things that grow in the ground, right? So anything that comes out of the ground, not that's hanging on a tree. Anything that's hanging on a tree doesn't necessarily need to be organic, but everything that grows out of the ground, you should try to get organic. I use TD. Does New York session tend to correct London moves? Well, I'd say if the 1 to 5 4-hour candle closed really bullish outside a range, I'd say New York would be a continuation of London, not a correction, right? So it really depends.
We got a closure above? Find out, find out.
Coming right now. 15 seconds.
You got a closure above, sure. How big are stops here? looking at 36 pip stops, not too shabby. And then your target is up here for roughly, well, you can probably move it up a little higher, up to it's up because the 4 hour and daily are still bullish, right? Probably move to like 18, like 1907 potentially. I do not have anything just yet, chat. I do not have no positions just yet. I'm trying to see if I could. What's this? 1901.
My stops are at 1899.07.
Interesting. What was I gonna do again?
I'm gonna look to go break even at around 1902.93. Almost there. Well, I'm break even here.
Nice. Chat, I got no positions here, chat. I'm not in bias here. I know what Wickstown is. I was kind of looking at I was kind of looking at this right here, and I was kind of like, I wanted to see if we can close above there. Meanwhile, I was also typing to sell as well, so I did not have positions here.
I told you I wasn't gonna expect the bottom wick here, so just off closure, I took it.
Yeah, no, I wasn't worried about the bottom wick. Like, I wasn't really worried about that. I was kind of looking at this here, but yeah. Let's see, if we close above here, I'll be fine with that, I guess. What'd you get? 13, something like that? 14?
I'm still in there.
Yeah, this thing should continue to run. 1903.
I just went break even. That's all I did. Right now, I got 13. Right here is where I'm gonna close 75% at 15 pips.
Perfecto. That's your day, chat. That is your day, guys. Looks like I mean, at this point, this is probably when you want to close off or something, right? You're tapping that resistance. This is probably when you want to close off and take it back
point here.
and just call it. I'm okay with that. My one position today. I am perfectly fine with that. That is a week, chat. I think that's the week. That's the day. It's a great it was a great day. And
we literally did that breakdown like 5 minutes before this happened.
Yeah.
Right, so there's no way you guys shouldn't have been prepared for this.
Unless you're saying
You
I say no out.
Yeah, but in general, you guys should have, like, we just discussed this. Don and I literally just discussed this 3 minutes ago or 5 minutes ago, and once we got that closure, we were in. It's pretty simple as long as you just put everything you know together into one. I'm about to hit.
You guys are like, yo, Tom, but like, why would I close here when my stop loss is 30 pips? Because, my guy, you're tapping resistance. And if you didn't close, you'd be in shambles right now. Oh my god, I hit break even.
Closure about that specific level. Okay, Perry, Platypus, go back about 5-7 minutes and literally discussed and broke it down why closure above that specific level. We literally spoke about that level. How did we start that conversation? Because Don asked that question. He said, why that level? Come on, Perry.
Yeah, I'm done so for a day. I think I'm done for the week. I think that's it for me, man. I gotta go enjoy the weekend here now.
It's looking like an incredible Friday today. It's gonna be an amazing. Like, what do you have to complain about? You're going into the weekend as the top 2% in this world of winners, right? The top 2% of Forex traders. You guys have won today, right? You guys are in that 2% of winners in this whole industry. Like, what the fuck do you have to complain about? We're undefeated for the week. Both sessions went undefeated for the week. Undefeated for the year. Like, you guys should be out there enjoying your weekend, celebrating, and not celebrating the fact that you've been winning, but celebrating the fact that The future is bright. We're gonna keep winning. This works, right? So as long as you don't switch up, the future is bright.
Bro, you guys literally have a 100% month. Like 100% month so far, 100% year so far. Obviously, it's not gonna last forever, but it's been a great year, and starts really matter. Like good starts really matter. It really affects the rest of the year, right? But what an amazing week it's been. What an amazing year it's been. Like we can't even ask for more. Now it's time to take your profits and enjoy the weekend. If you're still trading today, chat, make sure you guys use protection. Make sure you guys have a stop loss. But I think I'm done for the week. Wix9 is not streaming tonight. It is, or he is streaming tonight, right? 8 p.m. But yeah, we'll be back on Tuesday probably, chat, to be honest. Tuesday, Monday's a bank holiday, won't be there. Agent session Monday, are you streaming that? No, right?
Monday, yeah, I'll be streaming.
Oh yeah,
Asian
Wix9
session.
streaming
I mean,
Asian.
I don't really care for the bank holiday, U.S. bank holiday, because banks are closed regardless when I stream, right? The U.S. banks are closed. They're on holiday during Asian anyway.
Yeah. So, yo, congratulations, chat. If you guys want to, make sure to leave a like on the stream, sub to the channel. We're on our way to hit how many subs? Don't know how many subs we got. We're on our way to hit, like, I think
40K.
Yeah, 40K subs. So thank you so much for that. Yeah, yo, chat, 200 more likes, guys, before you guys dip off. 200 more likes, and also join the Discord server. If one of you guys can pin the Discord, that'd be great. But yeah, join the Discord server. We have like 20K traders in there, and we try to keep it clean in there. We try to keep it clean. It's not like your usual Forex fucking channel where you have a bunch of charts and people are just swinging their shit around like, oh yeah, my shit's bigger than your shit. You know, no, it's a very chill community that we built, and we try to keep it clean like that. A lot of price action traders, a lot of like-minded people. So make sure you guys tune to that, and yeah, make some friends or something. But I'm gonna do a wordo, and then I'm gonna do
Scrabble. Contexto.
Yeah. Wordo and all those fucking 3 games that we gotta play.
Games we gotta play. Sound like an old man. Grumpy old man.
Trade. What was this? Packs, you know, too easy. Nope, not packs.
Gonna fuck up the whole world right now.
Fucking, I don't know, fucking, shit.
Yo.
Hey.
Free com.
Yo, bro, I'm fucking streaming off of my Wi-Fi or my 5G right now. My Wi-Fi sucks, bro.
Damn, you off of your
Thanks
mobile
for the tips.
device?
Yeah,
I
you
know.
on,
Thanks
you
for
on
the
the
tips today.
hotspot right now?
I'm on the hotspot with the Zoom. I
Wait,
feel
yeah.
like Ike.
Wait, y'all got hotspots? Y'all got internet?
I gotta walk down to McDonald's next stream.
Make sure you get a McGriddle there. And you get the McBricks.
Ooh, I got access.
You guys see the charts? I just see numbers.
Yeah, they don't have Wordle on the stream.
Yo, chat, if you guys want to practice drawing candles out, this is what you guys do. Go in MT5, cover your chart, look at these numbers, and every time it goes up and down, imagine how it looks on the candles. Just draw the candles out, minute by minute. And you'll be way better at drawing candles out.
That's an activity I don't want to do.
Yo, shout out to Wix yesterday though, bro. Sat through a whole Asia session with just barcodes.
Yo, shout out to Wix,
but
the real one.
I got 2 dubs this morning.
No, yeah, bro, we hit for sure.
Plus the London breakdown was on point. Whoever took it on London also hit. So.
But what's this third word here? Packs, huh?
I don't know, man.
I feel like A's got to be first, but
Where's Keelan been?
He crashed the driving.
Yeah.
Glean.
What? With I?
G with a G. G-L-E. Oh no, A. No.
It needs
E,
an
no
A.
Oh, glean.
Yeah.
Never heard that word before.
I was thinking in terms of clean, and then I'm like, no, wait, clean.
It's snowing outside right now. I don't know if I have driving today. Like, do they let you drive when it's snowing still? Or yeah, right?
They would, yeah, but like there's fucking freezing rain and shit, so they might cancel it just because you're a new driver. It's like good for experience and all, but they still gotta be safe.
Yo, you go into a parking lot, hit a snow patch, and then gas and brake, baby, gas and brake.
I want to try that. Yo, it's funny because like when I drive, she holds the oh shit handle.
Oh, she's driving like this. Tell me she's there like this the whole time.
I'm like, yo, relax.
You're like,
I got this.
You're like, you lucky my car got an oh shit handle. What the fuck were you gonna hold in a fucking in a Nissan?
Bro, she'd be like, all right, yo. Can you do this word over real quick so I can get my day going? Stupid ass weirdo. Yo.
About. No, there's no T.
Man, what is this word? Going.
No A. Mm.
No sleep for the slept on.
No sleep. You feel me?
Alright, no sleep for the slept on. Sheesh. Yo, we slept on?
I think we are, bro.
I think we're very slept on, aren't we?
We only catch 10 pips. It's not enough for some people. How about loans? No S.
Imagine people watching from 2020 like, yo, this guy's still catching 10 pips. How is he not losing yet? He's supposed to lose right now. He's not catching a 1 to 5 RR. How?
His account's now at 300,000. What the fuck?
How, bro?
When did he deposit 150 grand?
How, bro?
When did he
How?
deposit another 150?
He just withdrew $44,000. What the fuck?
He made 100K in one day. What?
Bro, how? This can't
While
work.
I went to the bathroom,
RR is not
I went to
there.
the bathroom. He makes 100K.
Yo, people are already punching the air right now.
Boys over there like this.
Oh, easy word. Nope.
Nope.
Whack.
Quant. Fuck.
Nope.
A's in the wrong spot. A's got to be like, I feel like it might be first or last.
I can't go there.
Wait, what about? Oh, no, man, no T. I was gonna say fleet. Actually,
Like
no.
something
fleet
AL,
doesn't help
like-
me.
No E, no T.
Bogo or something. I don't know. This word? Mogo. Is there anything that goes like this?
Midle, maybe. M-I, oh, no T, never mind.
Loyal.
Ha! There we go. There we go.
What the fuck?
You know where the A is.
Yo, what kind of... It's easy now though. You know, it's something AM,
easy.
something AM. You know, like wagwan.
Wagwan Crody.
Bruv. I think it ends with N or something, right?
Yeah, N. Probably N.
This word? Nope. Maybe it's two A's. Maybe like
Wuhan.
what?
Wuhan.
That's true.
Nah, they won't work.
Yeah, I doubt that would be a Wordle.
They wouldn't do that. Sheesh. And an AW, like I think it's two A's maybe. No, it can't be his though. Oh, well, guess I'm driving at 10:30.
Oh.
Yo, so am I gonna be alive? Like, is it snow? Is it hard driving in the snow? I never did it before.
No, you just gotta drive slow.
It's not hard,
And-
right? The same shit. It's just,
Yeah.
the roads are fine. Like the roads are
Be
just.
careful.
Well, actually, yeah, you know what? Like where you live, it's probably fucking paved so quickly. Or not paved, but fucking plowed.
Yeah. I don't mind driving in snow. People say it's never drive in snow, never get your driver's license in the snow. I want to do the hardest mission possible.
Well, I might as well get it. I did the same thing. I did my driving school, driving test. In the
Also,
winter.
it's not booked at all. Like every day is available right now for driving tests. Like it's all available. Yo, if I fail my driving test, I gotta wait 10 days, or can I do it right away?
You have to wait, I think. I saw what's his face? Jet Bentley failed his. He had to like wait because it was so overbooked.
Oh, you saw him?
Oh, you follow
Yeah.
him?
Oh, you watch him? I watch him too.
Yeah, I love those guys. Their dads. I want to go to their dad's restaurant. That shit looks so
In
fire.
Toronto?
Yeah, it's on my bucket list for sure.
Gotta pull up.
Me and Don, date night.
For real. When's the link up?
Whenever you want.
I know. Is it AN? I think it's AN.
Yeah, that was a good edit yesterday, Kieran. I was surprised. I'm like, yo, your first edit ever? I'm like,
Thank you.
You've been doing that for that long? Like, that was your first edit ever. It was pretty nice.
What do you
Yeah, so I only ever used like Photoshop in high school. That was like as far as my editing experience went, and that was just for
Where was
one
your edit?
class. I sent it to him in his DM. I can show you it.
Fella. Fellas in Paris.
Nice.
Siri, play Fellas in Paris.
Night. I know fucking T. Wait.
Wait. Woman. Human.
Oh!
my God.
You see? One less letter word. There we go.
Let's go.
Fuck this game. Oh man. All right, now on to the next game. What's that next game?
Text though.
This next game. All right, let's say this game.
Yo,
now.
if you get this in like two tries,
Trade.
it's rigged.
All right, I know
That's
the
right.
word. The word is deck. Water. Nope, not water. It's got to be like, if it's deck,
Big
then
drive.
It's not that.
Go to house.
then
Yeah.
you gotta think
Or-
like
Wood.
No,
house.
it's gotta be like
It's got to be further away than wood.
rocks,
Like, wood is pretty close.
rock or something. Oh, I'm fucking brilliant at this shit. If it's rocks, then yeah, I think like if the 5 closing above this range and the 4 does that, then the rock is like it's not stone. It'll be way closer. It can't be stone. It's gotta be
Mountain.
like, no, it's gotta be like, can't be grass. Gotta be closer to that. It's gotta be, can't be cottage. It's probably gonna be like
Dwayne Johnson.
nah, it's gonna be rock. Krishan Rock and Blueface.
Pebble.
Hennessy.
Pebble, it can't be Pebble because Pebble will be like 13 or it'll be close, but
Gravel.
it's gotta be like far and close at the same
Pavement.
time.
Pavement? I don't know. Rock. Diamond.
Stone.
Granite.
Mountain.
Nope, that was further away. Okay, so now we know it's closer to the rock side. So like wall, no? No, that's way off. Fuck, I don't know. I lost it. Lost momentum. I thought I can do it in 4 tries again. Oh, what's that thing, chat? What's that thing when you sleep on it? It's like a thing, you know, the thing and the thing and the thing and the thing.
Oh, the thing. I know.
You know when you
That thing.
sleep, there's like a tree and in the middle is like a thing. You sleep.
Hammock.
Yeah, hammock. How you spell that?
HAMM.
Okay. OCK.
Mm,
That was a way off.
what?
Try mountain.
Banana hammock.
Wow.
What?
Boom. Let's go.
Wait, hold on. I said mountain, and you told me nah. It's got to be something closer. Fuck you. I had it. That would have been 3 for me.
Whatever, fucking Marv.
He said rock. I said mountain. He said nah. It's got to be something closer. And he guessed. I said mountain. He said water. Chad. Which one is closer to
Yo,
the
wait,
rock?
this is me and you.
Mountain or water?
Alright.
That's me and you. Well, I don't know
Asian,
my
no.
taste.
Who's this guy again? This is definitely the back of my day guy in the movie. That was miserable. Anywho, chat, I know you guys are waiting for this 1 hour, this 5-minute close here. Oh wait, one more game. Fuck. Gosh darn it.
This guy.
What's that game called?
Weaver.
Huh?
Weaver.
This is another game, man. Oh my god, Pong. Okay, this is easy.
We had this already.
No.
Yeah.
Pang.
Here.
Oh yeah.
Peen. No.
Here. Oh wait. Wait, no, I'm tripping.
Pond. POND.
Yeah, pond. No.
No, you need one.
No.
I change the N, right?
You can only change one at
Oh.
a time.
What do we change?
Uh,
Oh, the oh, okay, the O, okay. So PO. Wait, what? Okay, I'm getting confused.
You can change one letter at a time, and it'll keep going. But eventually, you need to get to Pong.
but it can be any letter. It can't just.
It can be. You can change. There's many ways to get to Pong. It could have been here. It could have been.
Could have been bong.
Bear. It could have been bear.
So yeah, beer.
You know, you could have done.
Oh,
BEAR.
BEAR. Yeah.
Yeah, like yeah. It could probably be beat. BEET. You know, like it could be anything. Like, you can start in whichever direction you want. What? Why would you go back?
Peep, P-E-E-P, no. But then we still have to figure out.
P. What if we tried to change one of the middle letters first?
No
That wouldn't
letters.
work.
Maybe P is not. Maybe P wasn't a good guess. What else can we do? We can do like B. Like we can go from bong to
yeah.
pong later. So oh, actually, no, we got guessing in between. Oh wait, no, can't do that.
What if we start with Lear and try to get like long and then just change it to Pong?
And then what?
Maybe like
Try to get long to change to pong, which means league would have to be a word, or log, or leng.
L-E-A-R, Lear, no?
Oh wait, I'm tripping.
Yeah, only one letter.
Ooh, try beef.
You already got the, oh, yeah.
Then you could do. Oh, no, we could do beat, and then you could do bent. B-E-E-T, like a beat, E-T. And then you could do bent. You get an N.
well,
and
pent is a word as well.
And then you could do bang, I think. B-E-N-G. What? Bang's a word. That's poison produced from the cannabis plant.
Sorry, this game don't. This thing don't think far enough, bro. This guy always goes back to
Bang
cannabis.
is a word. Bang. Here, let me look it up.
So is pent. So if you just
Bang is the name of the poison which is produced from the cannabis indica.
This guy
a
said
fucking
gold, 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 gold. Don't care, my day is over. This is how you guys should be too. You guys
Ah,
can
okay.
relax.
Closures.
okay, so yeah,
Pent.
if you go like erase the
Do
B
pent.
and do pent.
Pent.
No.
And then you could do
Pint, ping.
ping.
So pint, and then ping, and then pong.
Hmm. So there's multiple ways to do it, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Well, look at that chat. Dilly has flip bullish. Yeah, my day is done. I don't really it's not really my can't really do much here in this case. I guess like my day is over. I can't go back and say you know, I'm gonna trade it. That's none of my words right now. Day's over. We're on to Monday, guys. Tuesday. But yo, chat, thanks for being around. You know, thanks for watching us play these games. You know, play the FOREX game and then play the real games afterwards.
I got something to tell you before I leave, but you can't judge me, bro.
What?
Okay, here we go.
All
ain't gonna
right.
lie.
What did you catch just now, brother?
I ain't gonna lie.
Fulcrum, come in. Yeah, beauty. Yeah, you feel me?
Oh man.
The setup.
Hey chat, I know you guys caught this. Everybody in the chat was like, yo, fuck this guy's playing word. I'm gonna take a buy here. Yes! We got a runner.
It's like what, like 30 plus pips right there?
Yeah.
Yo, let's get the acapella going, bro.
Which one?
The outro, the 21.
Oh yeah.
21.
Hey chat, I'm gonna catch you guys on Monday morning. All right, have a good day. Thanks for coming by today. Leave a like on the streams if you guys enjoyed the streams. Make sure you guys leave a like, sub to the channel, and join the Discord before you guys dip off here. We're 900 subs away from 40k subscribers. But
I might catch y'all on Tuesday, alright? So peace out.
See you later.
Peace out, and let's play some outro music. And yeah, call it a beautiful day today.
Ooh, drop a banger.
Yeah. That shit should be banger. Alright.
Go buy a zip of weed, hit the club, pay for about 10 nigga to get in. We crunk, lit,
Hey,
in it, bitch.
this should make me cuckoo for Cocoa.
No, we'll rock around the world. Stepping up, getting it down by where I'm feeling that. Yeah. Get your ass must.
Oh, this that hard
Must.
shit.
This is hard. This is fire.
21.
21.
Biggest.
Do something for me. 21.
Put a nigga in a chicken wing.
Yo.
Pussy.
Let's see.
21. Can you do something for me? Can you hit a little rich flex for me? 21. Can you do something for me? Drop some bars to my pussy ex for me. Then 21. Can you do something for me? Can you talk to the ops next for me? Then 21. Do your thing, 21. Do your thing. Do your thing, 21. Yellow diamonds in the watch. This shit costs a lot. Never send a bitch your dot. That's how you get shot. I DM in vanish mode. I do that shit a lot. Took our panties off and this bitch thicker than the plot. All my exes ain't nothing. Them hoes bussin'. If my ops ain't rapping, they ass ducking. You ain't ready to pull the trigger. Don't clutch it. I know you want your period, baby. Can you suck it? I'm a savage. 21. Smacker, booty, and magic. I'll slap a pussy nigga with a ratchet. I might slap a trigger on his whip and get the addy. Don't call me on Christmas Eve, bitch. Call your daddy. Bitch, call your uncle. Bitch, don't call me. Always in my ear, your whole fleet.
Yeah, Alvin, shut up,
I'll be
Alvin.
posting guns and only you they feet. Paid like an athlete, I got all you hoes, all of you hoes. Need to remember who y'all talking to. It's a Slaughter Gang CEO. I got dick for you if I'm not working, girl. If I'm busy, then fuck no. You need to find you someone else to call when your
This is
bank account
impressive.
get low. You need to find you someone. Hey, 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 hey. I'm on that Slaughter Gang shit. Hey, murder gang shit. Hey, Slaughter Gang shit. Hey, murder gang shit. Hey, sticks and stones, chrome on chrome. That's just what looking up so they don't feel alone. Ayy. Now niggas seeing me, I'm young money, C&B. I used to roll with CNG. The house is not a B&B. The bad bitches waiting on a nigga like I'm P&D. I'm steady pushing P, you niggas pushing PTSD. I told her ass to kiss me in the club, fucking TMZ. I used to want a GMC when what was
This is so good, right?
We revving up and going on a run like it's DMC. I lay up with her for a couple days, then it's BIB. You rappers love
I want to hear Just Wanna Rock.
When you know
Oh, he has one. I want to hear this. Woo. I wanna rock. Ooh.
Damn. Damn.
That's pretty accurate.
Make another hit.
This ain't what you want.
Project.
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.
Touch it on the block. I just wanna rock. I just wanna I just wanna rock. Body out of ya. So I got the body out of ya. Hit it once, no ties. How the fuck you gon' kill my vibe? Send my money, I don't know my size. Pick them sides, and you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, go up to 5. That's my high. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, go up to 5.
This ain't what you want.
Project.
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.
What song?
Ice Spice.
Fuck is that?
Does he have it? No,
God,
he
I was
doesn't. He
feeling
doesn't
him.
have it. He doesn't have it. Yo, what song do you want to hear?
I love the things that entertain you, bro. That was good.
That was
Find
good.
another one. Yeah.
This right here, history in the making.
You like read my mind. I was gonna say, do the fucking graduation.
Bro, this guy broke his jaw for the song too.
Boost for breakfast and insure for dinner. Somebody order pancake, Dr. Sip the scissor. Stop right there, can drive a same man blizzard. Not to worry, Mr. Ace to the Israel's back to wizard. How do you console my mom? I'll give her light support, telling her York mighty niggas got